we go. We are live. We are all live. We are alive.
Shit.
I am alive.
I am also alive.
Meow,
I need to
meow,
figure
meow.
out- I need to set up shared chat though.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, it's a thing. Sharing. I hate doing that, but, you know, whatever. What am I doing today? I have my notes. I wrote notes. I wrote notes for once. I will use my notes. I was going to redo the health bar and maybe learn a little bit of UI along the way, because I suck at UI.
Alright, send you an invite.
Invite.
Share chats.
Oh yeah. You just said that.
Hello, Kobe Suck. How's it going? How you doing?
There we go.
Oh shit, I have your stream on. Don't talk, please. Don't talk for just a second.
Meow.
Wait. Oh no, you joined the fucking call.
Oops.
Mute your mic in the call.
Wrong thing.
Motherfucker, don't do that.
Sorry, well it was your fault, obviously.
It wasn't my fault. You joined the call and said, yeah, dude, you can fucking
Alright.
put me in there with my microphone going crazy.
Alright, I literally thought I disabled my mic on that specifically so that wouldn't happen.
Alright, man.
Apparently
Okay,
not. It's probably your fault somehow.
Yeah, what was I doing last stream? I was doing some changes to the flying enemy, and I think I will still make some changes to them. What was the... I don't remember what all I wanted to change about what they currently do, because I thought that their current behavior was pretty cool. So I guess let me hop in and find out what it looks
Ooh,
like.
I forgot that the health bar is like the most poorly written thing to ever exist, because it's also handling like 12 other things.
Hey.
No, I wrote this. I wrote this.
Oh, the health bar.
The health bar.
Wait, what else is the health bar doing? What?
It's also setting disabling the hitbox for your invulnerability
What?
frames.
Wait, what?
And it's also
what?
handling like the hit effects
Hold
for when
on,
you
guys.
get hit.
Give me a second. I gotta check something. Healthbar.gd.
Maybe I'll let you redo this.
So, oh, look at this, guys. Holy shit. What? What? What?
It's wonderful code. I'm a very great programmer.
What is this?
I'm the best programmer.
No. Okay, so let's break this down. I'm just gonna leave notes wherever I find.
I worked at Blizzard for 7 years.
Don't connect.
I hacked
signals
power plants for the
via
federal
name.
government.
Also, connect signal from health component, not us. Don't update every frame. Don't. Every frame. Oh my lord. So every frame you loop through all of the heart containers.
Maybe.
You see if it's an animated sprite. Oh my lord. You check to see if what is this doing? Heart.get index. Is this 0 indexed? I'm assuming it is, yes. So you grab the first, so if this is the first node, so we start at 0, add 1, so we're at 1. Multiply it by 2. Okay, because each heart is half. Okay, it's got 2 parts.
Yes.
Yeah, sure. You add 1 because...
I don't know.
Because...
I was like, I don't think I've improved at programming all that much recently, and then I opened this up and it's like, yeah, maybe I did.
Oh wait, I think I know what this is doing.
This is so bad.
Oh lord, so you're checking for the case where the heart should be not filled first? Question mark?
Probably.
Is
I
frame
couldn't
2
tell
the
you.
one where the heart is damaged?
It probably is. It almost like certainly is.
Oh my, no. Oh.
No?
Wait, no, what? So it starts off non-damaged. Health bar, yeah, it's still not too much. So
You
it's
don't
frame
say.
2. If oh yeah, okay, so if your heart container, its health plus 1 is less than or equal to health plus 1. Okay. First off, we could just like not have the plus 1 here and the plus 1 here, and then we're back to normal.
Oh, I
this one
don't.
doesn't have a
I just like
+1.
rewrite this.
Goodness,
I
just
think
like
about that. I think the first thing to do though would be to take out the stuff that the health bar shouldn't be handling and put that somewhere else.
Yeah, so the health bar should be handling. Yeah, I'll let you kind of think about this, but first off, don't do this every frame. Create a signal. You have a signal anyways for change health. Do that here. Oh, add. Oh, this handles when the player heals. So when the player heals, it tells the signal bus to do change health, which is then add health, which is then passed into what? Okay. Sure. This signal is connected from somewhere. When this changes, you do this damage. If the amount is less than 0.
That's for when the health component does damage, because that needs to be rewritten to a little bit, I think.
Yeah. And then you tell the hitbox to turn off, set a damage timer, and then you call updates. Yeah, it's got a lot. It's got a lot to go.
A little bit.
There's some on-ready preloads in there.
What's wrong with that?
The playlist is just like just some shit that I have on my music player. I need to add more. I also need to finish filling out that playlist on YouTube, because I have a playlist that is the stream stuff, but I haven't finished filling it out.
Well, I guess I'll get started somewhere.
Yeah, sure.
I also have the animation that's played like with the shaders and stuff when you take damage as well in here.
Yeah, it's doing a lot. It's doing a lot. Yeah, I would say kind of figure out where you want to draw the line on what it should do.
Yeah.
And then start from there.
Because I'm trying to think, if I don't do, I guess I could just put it in like a separate node, this kind of stuff, like the
which stuff?
Like the invulnerability and the animations.
You already have invulnerability, don't you? I thought you already had an invulnerability thing on.
Oh yeah, I probably do, and this is probably like redundant.
Base enemy.gd, or no, sorry, not base enemy. You have invulnerability, don't you?
Not anymore. Health bar, right? The health component.
Oh, the health component has iframes.
Yes.
But I don't think these are used anymore.
Yes. No. Oh, I do have iframes on the player. They're used on the player. Except
that's on the health component, but it's not used anymore.
No, it's on the player. It's on both. It's on both.
Where's that? Where's the one in the player? What's it called?
Or wait, no, it is on the health component, but it's on the player.
I thought so.
But the health component that's on the player.
Yes, and what do those iframes do? Nothing.
Except it does.
No, it doesn't.
What do you mean?
It doesn't.
It doesn't? What do you mean doesn't?
It doesn't. Iframes don't exist anymore on the health components. They
then
exist, but
why
they don't do
are
anything.
Oh, did you remove them?
I removed that because, yeah.
Okay, then how should I?
It doesn't matter that there's iframes on the health component, considering that you were disabling the player's hitbox manually.
Yeah, but then I have to do that again.
You're so right.
I don't know.
Sorry, what'd you say, JW?
I said, but then I'd have to do that in the somewhere else. Then why do we have iframes in here if they aren't used?
Well, because they were left over from when they were used. I also don't like that they're iframes and not like
why didn't we
time.
Get rid of it?
Because there was the issue that we wanted to have you be able to hit multiple hitboxes, or
Yes, I know it was a thing before. But what I'm saying is, if we're not using it, why did we not remove it?
Oh, just because.
Okay.
Just in case you wanted to bring it back somehow.
That's what I was confused. Okay. Well, I guess we'll just leave that.
Yeah. Also, hello, Filippo. Also, pause back at you, Lukai's
Pause
So I
back
hear
at you
like
as well,
city, you love
Lucas.
videos. You learn so much. Thank you. No problem. I appreciate you stopping by to say hello and that you appreciate the videos. And export with screaming
Okay.
uppercase. We have
Okay.
extends and then class name. Oh lord. Oh shit. Sorry. Yes. Wait. Hey, the shader. Was that you that messaged me? Are you Mr. Jeff? I've never made that connection. I'm sorry. You have like some crazy fucking names on everywhere. You got Filippo Calippo. That's great. Your name is Mr. Jeff, and your username is Bull Ballsack. You have very many aliases. Who are you running from?
What are you scared of?
Okay, so you're trying to replicate the sticker effect. You're using clip children set to clip and draw on the card. Will not work. So the sticker doesn't go out of bounds. Only problem for that is for some reason hint screen texture on the sticker child reads absolutely nothing when you do that. So clip children has issues. I believe it tells you that somewhere. Where do we have clip children? Is it the viewport container? No. What has?
We should probably.
Do we not have a clip children on somewhere?
On somewhere?
Thought we had clip children disabled. You don't even think that you exist? Okay, well I can just open the doc. I'm fairly certain that this says clipping notes cannot be nested or placed within canvas groups if an ancestor is node clips its children or is a canvas group. So it doesn't turn into a canvas group. However, you can't use clip children with screen reading shaders. So the way that I had to get around this, oh, sorry, it's down here. Yeah. So I actually have some weird shit going on here. And you'll see that we have two different containers. One of them has clip children enabled, and one of them has it disabled. I actually had to specifically deal with clipping inside of the shader. So if I pull up the negative sticker shader, you'll notice that we have a card mask texture in here. So I'm actually using that to clip the effect itself. Unfortunately, yeah, it is a little annoying. I'll be honest. But yeah, screen reading shaders do not like working with canvas groups and clipping.
Okay.
Unfortunately,
I am turning the heart UIs and the shields into a sprite sheet, so that way.
Let's go. Let's go!
Yeah, I know you're so happy. Oh yes, I also have sprites of all of the different cats backwards, in case you want them for some reason. Because I had to manually draw them backwards for my animation.
What? You had to draw them backwards for the animation you did?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they flip around.
You ever heard of just flipping them around with
No,
the H flag?
but it's the back of the cat.
Oh,
look at my stream.
Okay.
As you can see,
I'm looking.
the back.
Yeah. Okay.
Which you can actually do very easily if you ever need to draw
really
a character
funny.
Backwards. All you have to do is you just flip it, and then you swap the shading to the other side, and then you just like fill this in. Like it works really well.
We could do some neat stuff now for cutscenes because we have cat back sprites. That's true.
This is true.
Have Dante looked at something fucked up happening in the background such distance.
True.
Kind of cool. Some fake 3D. Ooh, we could do a fake 3D boss. That'd be sick. We could just do a real 3D boss because we're using Godot, but like, nah.
That would be insane. But kind of cool. Is that animation going in the trailer? I might actually hide it somewhere in the trailer. That could be fun.
Hide it in the trailer? No, it could just like flash. It could be like it takes like a quick intermission, and then it's just like that with like a shitty like recording filter over it, and then it like goes back to like the action.
Yeah. That would kind of be a banger.
So what was I doing with this fucker? What does this guy behave like right now? And did I do everything I wanted to with it? The flying guy.
Oh, I don't know.
Because you remember I was doing a rework with him.
Yeah. I have so many bug bites for no reason. Like, I hate bugs. I hate summer.
Oh, yeah. I wanted to have an animation for when he's about to shoot.
Ah, yes.
Ooh, I wonder. Ooh, this might actually be like an idea. Hmm. Let me experiment with something really quickly. You, sprite 2D, texture. I'll get back to coding in a second. I'm using a gradient texture for prototyping.
Oop, I accidentally dragged a
Okay,
folder into the wrong
textures.
place. Please. Can I undo that?
What'd you do?
There we go. I accidentally moved a folder instead of doing what I was trying to do.
This motherfucker loves gradient textures. What the hell?
I was trying to make a gradient texture earlier and it was annoying me.
Be better.
Okay. I see. But I couldn't...
Why is this bilinear? Weird.
I couldn't figure out how to make it, smooth. It was always really sketchy. I don't know if it was just some weird rendering stuff. Actually, yeah, that would make a good, like, little end clip for the trailer, yeah. It's always fun to have, like, a little... I was actually in some of the videos I was watching some videos on tutorial making, or not tutorial. Trailer. One of the T words.
Oh, I wonder if there's a shortcut to get to here. They're like a... They should add that. They should add a shortcut to focus this window.
Okay, what am I doing? Arts, where are they?
Top level, no, sorry. Show behind... Why are we not drawing in front of... Oh, it's magic. I know. Holy shit, it's Foxen. Hello, Foxen. How you doing? Were you guys working on, were you working on Whiskerwood Vale earlier? Shout out Foxen. My fucking goat.
Let's go.
This, Foxen is... Oh, no, not raid. No. Sorry, not raid. Sorry. Slash shout out. That'd be fucking funny if I just raided you back for raiding me. That'd be funny.
That would be very funny.
You were gaming and watching Gamescom. Okay, yeah. Is there anything cool in Gamescom? Also, JW, this is the guy who made the game that I was demoing.
Oh yeah,
Steam.
the 3D platformer thing. That one looks really sick.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very, very fun. Fuck, I never wrote back your notes. Do I have notes still? I'm pretty sure I have notes somewhere on my computer called like Whiskerwood Vale notes or something. Fuck. I can find it eventually. Is there anything cool?
Okay.
Bubsy 4D? No shot there's Bubsy 4D.
Bubsy 4D.
I know you're like probably fucking with me, but there's a chance that that's a real thing. And it'd be kind of funny if... What? Oh. What? They're not fucking with me. It's real. What the fuck are you talking about, Bubsy 4D? No way we're getting another...
What the heck is Bubsy?
How? I don't know about that. Oh my god, dude.
What am I looking at?
No, dude. Dude, oh, that's actually really funny. The references to Bubsy 3D. That game is fucking terrible.
That looks 3D.
You think they learned their lesson and they can make
4D.
a good game now? It looks like they are having fun with it. Are we signed in? We're signed in. Fuck it, it's going on the wish list.
It's insane.
That's so funny.
Bro's doxing his Steam account. Everybody go send him a Steam friend request right now.
Yeah, my Steam account name is Biddy, or you can go to Steam community/bitlytic.
Yeah. Go send him a friend request.
I need to make this guy...
We gotta play Counter-Strike together.
Yeah, wrong account, but yeah. I gotta make this guy indicate that he's about to attack. I also... he needs some love, I think. JW, what would you add to make this guy have more sauce?
More sauce?
Yeah.
A little bit of squash and stretch.
A little bit of squash and stretch. Oh, like when he dashes?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay, hold up. You might be onto that. I always forget about squash and stretch. That shit pisses me off.
Maybe like some little dust particles when he flies along too.
Yeah. All right, let me add that to the
Okay.
thing.
I don't know where to get started with this with the hearts, but you know, we're just gonna get started.
They didn't announce Half-Life 3 during Gamescom, did they? I guess I would have heard about that.
Yeah, you
for
would have
sure.
heard about that.
I would have
How
heard about it.
should
like,
I do
day
the
before.
textures for UI? Do I use a texture rect?
So
It
depends.
It always confuses me. I don't understand UI.
So usually, so you want it. Let me think about this for a minute. Let me think of how to explain this to you.
Mm-hmm.
So typically for UI, you would use only control nodes if you
Yes.
want it to be automatically positioned. So rather than manually
Yes,
positioning each
which
sprite
is what I
16
want.
pixels
Yes,
to the
yes,
right,
yes.
you would use only UI nodes,
Mhm.
which for this would be a texture rect use.
Okay. So we probably want the
Oh,
root to
shit.
be a canvas layer, so
I'm
it's off
streaming
by
Apex now,
itself.
apparently. There we go. Oh,
Canvas
music.
layer.
Um,
It will be the
I
health
feel like they keep bringing him
bar.
back as a joke and not learning their lesson. When was the last Bubsy game? Bubsy's
What the heck is
funny.
Bubsy?
Bubsy's an old,
okay,
like Crash
old,
Bandicoot, Spyro,
Yeah,
like
that checks out.
Mario, Sonic kind of
I don't play old games. I'm not a boomer like you.
Bubsy in the Perfect Collection, Bubsy Paws on Fire, The Woolly Strike Back. Yeah, but Bubsy 3D was known because it kind of fucking sucked. It was one of the first 3D platformers, and they did not do it right.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean, it was back whenever people were still learning how to make platformers. Nowadays, you can just like find a tutorial and they tell you everything you need.
It can't be that hard.
2019, The Woolly Strike Back in 17, Paws on Fire in 19. Okay, yeah. I mean, it's cool to see that like that IP is still alive. It kind of makes me sad whenever I think about all the IPs that have died and are never going to come back. Like
Wait, is there a way to add frames to a texture rect?
like this IP down here. This one's not coming back ever.
Huh?
Unfortunately. Dark Cloud on my music playing.
Oh, okay. I was very confused because I was looking at your stream and I was like, "There's nothing there. Why are you pointing at the animation player?"
Okay, so what was your question?
How do I add frames to a texture rect?
Yeah, okay. So since you're doing frames, it might be better to not use a texture rect.
Oh.
So you could do an Atlas texture, or you could do an animated texture and then change which frame it's on. I would say probably an animated texture.
Oh, gross.
No, sorry. Can animated textures have...
No.
Can you change which frame it is?
You can, but you have to change the individual frames. So you'd have to set these as Atlas textures, and that would be really...
Okay, so how about this instead? So instead of using a texture rect, isn't there an animated texture rect or something? No, texture, no, rect,
Yeah.
no, sprite, no. Okay, so here's what you could do instead. Rather than using a direct texture rect, change that, or yeah, you can delete it. Add a control, just a regular one. And then add a sprite as a child of that.
Oh, interesting. I see.
Then set up your texture as you need. Not 3.
Oh, yeah.
So don't scale that up. I think we want to avoid that. So set your control to be the size of the sprite. So under layout, yes,
16
set
by
that
16.
to whatever your sprite size is, and then set the actual size. Oh, because it's set to fill, so you have to go to container sizing and set the vertical to shrink center. There you go. So, this is annoying actually. Hold on. Let me think for a moment. Because you're using frames inside of a UI.
Yeah.
Which is fine. It's just going to require a little bit of work.
Sorry,
I'm going to put him on stream so that I'm not just speaking into the void. It's gonna look like shit.
It's gonna
'cause he
look
doesn't have
terrible.
Discord Nitro.
Yeah, I don't have Discord
Um,
Nitro. If anybody wants to buy me Discord Nitro for like a better stream quality, like
So what you can do
Yeah.
is you can select the sprite.
the sprite. Yes.
Yes. And then move that down and to the right 8 pixels, so it's in the center of the control. Okay, I would have just like. So can I ask you something?
Mm-hmm.
How much do you think you just moved it down?
I don't know.
So do you see the thing over on the right where it says position?
Oh.
Do you notice how that doesn't say 8?
Oh. Wait, why is it?
It's because you're snapping.
Oh. Okay. Like that. Is that it? Did I do it? I see.
Let me. Sony has not been kind to their old IPs. Yeah, true. What older Sony fans found Astropod pretty bittersweet. Dude, I miss. There's a lot of IPs. I guess Sony didn't own this, but they published it. There's a lot of games that I remember from my childhood that just like are dead and gone forever because either the developers died, the publishers died, or they just kind of abandoned it, which makes me really sad. Okay, did you move it to 8x8?
Yes,
Yeah,
I think so.
Why is it like off by 1?
Because that's the sprite is a 1 pixel center.
Okay, that's
So it's
fine
okay.
enough, I guess.
Yeah. And I
Yeah,
want it to
so
be in a
now
16
that
by
you've got
16
that,
area
you
just so
can
they're
I think you
consistent
can
sizes.
just. Okay, I think you can just scale the sprite by 3, or the control by 3. Sorry.
The control.
Yes, I believe you can just transform scale. I'm a liar. You can't do that there.
Is it because this
then-
is fill too?
Yes, so I guess you would want to. Well, no, it's because it's in a container. So I guess you would scale your sprite by the amount that you need it to be.
Okay.
And then make the control the correct size.
Watch this. Watch this. Look at that.
For anyone who didn't
Like so
see,
smart.
he wrote down ×3 at the end of it and it multiplied it by that amount.
Should I move this down as well?
Oh
It's in the
shit!
center.
Video Tempest, thank you for the raid of 8.
Oh,
How's it going?
hello.
We are doing game dev. I'm sorry.
Bro is
this
getting all
stream
the
over here.
raids.
This
It's
is
over.
Yeah, this is the artist working on the game, and he doesn't have Discord Nitro, so his stream quality is terrible.
Yeah,
Um,
it is. But that's okay.
How's it going? How's it going? What are you guys working on? I'm assuming you're also a game dev or something related. So now, yeah,
Look at
now
that.
you can just duplicate, and then they line up.
Whoa.
So you could make that into its own scene and call it like heart container,
Yeah, that's what I was
and then you
wanting
could
to
have
do.
the sprite update what it needs to be based on that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yep, game dev on Godot too. Okay, nice. What do you do? What are you making? Are you learning? You making a commercial game? What's going on? Let me swap back over to my screen and I can
Okay.
show you what we are
Yeah,
working
you can
on.
go ahead and do that while I struggle along. Where the heck is
So
the
we are working
saved
on-
scene? There we go.
Yeah, we are working on a roguelike deck builder. You know, funny, haha. It's like Enter the Gungeon, side view instead of top view, and you can, instead of grabbing guns and things and having them equipped, you actually build a deck of cards. You can upgrade these like so. So at the forge, you can select a card, open up a sticker pack. This needs a little bit of polish, but you can then add certain cool sticker to them to make them do different things. So for example, this one will make it not count towards the hand size, which currently doesn't do anything, but we made it look cool first before it works. So you can upgrade these cards, and then whenever you go into rooms, you will draw a random hand of cards. These will cost a certain amount of mana to use, and you can work your way through it, eventually completing the floor by beating the boss, and then you will get loot and different stickers and cards that you can use to help your run.
Is this new? They
And
have
I think we want to do
options,
relics as well.
to reset position, rotation, and scale when saving as a branch as a scene. I'm pretty sure
Mhm.
that's new.
Yep.
That's really cool.
It is, yeah.
I like that.
Yeah. Let's see. We're playing a puzzle game, maze game. Okay, cool. I don't know if I've played any maze likes.
Maze likes.
Maze like, yeah. I'm trying to think of like maze game. It's always difficult to play puzzle games. Maze game. Just like a maze. That's cool though. Like
I
Couldn't
cannot
think of
type
any of
today.
them. I guess Stanley Parable's kind of mazy. Also,
I mean, Hollow Knight's kind of
I'm out here
mazy.
using- That's true. It is mazy. It is.
It is mazy.
Also, yeah, his Unity or his Godot
Unity?
style is very Unity.
Hmm?
Yeah, because they said that your Godot style looked very Unity.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Which is true. It is true. I have
I
just the
like
default
this one
editor
so much
because-
better. Not because it looks like
I'm cool.
Unity. I hate Unity. Unity sucks. But this one looks so nice.
Okay, let me do this animation real quick because I've been putting this off. You can tell that I took my Adderall just a little bit later than I wanted to.
Okay.
So,
Hell
how do you do squash and stretch again? It's
yeah.
Let me see.
Scale.
I would do. Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay.
I'm speaking out loud.
Okay.
Thinking out loud.
You just scale it.
So you do a little squash,
Mhm.
little,
Yeah.
probably a little bit more than that, I'd imagine. We'll see. Or something like this. It does its little dash. Oh, well, buddy, you need to be one scaled here. Yeah. Okay, I know what I'm doing. Probably. We'll see. Yeah. I feel so sorry for you, JW. You're gonna like lose your job as like the artist person once all of the art is drawn,
This
and
is
I can
true.
just like do all of the animations.
Yeah, for sure. I'll use all the animation I made today. I can animate too.
Yeah.
Yeah. I bet bro has never used skew before in an animation.
Skeuomorphic transformations.
Mm-hmm.
This is true.
Take
I
that.
usually do something cooler.
Okay, bro.
Animation mogging, absolutely. Also, Sokoban. What is Sokoban?
That's like the pushy box game.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I actually played like shitty version of that as a kid.
What am I
It was
writing?
called Wonderland.
Finger.
And it was it was like a 3D Sokoban type puzzle game.
No, I
with, like,
remember playing
teleporters
something
and,
like that on like my mom's Kindle, like the one of the like black and white ones. Yeah,
That's
it was kind of a banger. It was like pirate themed. I don't remember how I remember this. I was like 8 years ago probably.
Did I tell it
Okay.
to play the dash animation or not? Am I like
Trying to think, how do I want to set the... Let me think through this a little bit. So I'll want it... You want a set number of hearts,
Mhm.
but not a set number of shields. So I think I might want to have them be two separate containers. One for hearts and one for shields, and they'll handle each other separately.
Okay. If you think that's what's
I think that
worth
makes
doing, yeah.
sense. So this will just be a heart. So we'll have a set
guess
heart
kind of want this to be in, right?
value. Sure. That's what we'll call this. I need a funk before this. I have not
Kind of old
programmed
age
in like
listening to
12
that.
years.
Oh Lord. Hey, sir, are you streaming game dev tonight? And if you are, when are you streaming game dev tonight? Oh, look at his dash, dude. It's so beautiful. He's so gorgeous. with
Oh,
his
look at
little
that.
dash. Wow.
I think... I'm trying to think. I think it should like
What are you thinking?
squish it and stretch as he dashes. Right now it's kind of like... Can I look at it one more time?
Yeah. I know. I think I know what you're saying. I think you think that he should.
Yeah,
like,
right
keep
now it looks like
stretched
he's
the
like...
entire dash.
Yeah. He's kind of just like squashing and stretching and then dashing. It doesn't feel like they're connected at all. If you know what I'm
Something
saying.
like that. Probably like the other way where I think
Yeah,
it
the other
should
way.
be.
There should be a button to swap decks in the Y.
No. I think you're wrong. To be honest with you.
Yeah, I'm probably wrong.
True.
It's usually like that. It should just be an in, so...
If I made him like do like a little like a wow while he's dashing, it'd be like sick, right?
No.
You don't think so?
No, I don't think so.
Oh, he's gonna fire at me. Oh no, he's not. Boy, fucker. Hello. Now he's firing at me. You should be able to parry these. Should have a parry card.
Yeah, we should have a parry card.
I think he needs to be more squished, actually. I'm like looking at this.
Yeah.
This motherfucker needs to be like hella squished while he's
Yeah.
dashing, I think.
Always like overdo
1
things, and you can always tweak it down. But a lot of times you'll kind of under.
Yeah, I know this
adjust.
is like shit. But what if I made him like
Why is my
shaboingle out of that?
back pillow all weird? I'm an old man. I have like a back support pillow on my.
Don't you dare
fancy
fucking
chair.
say that, you bastard.
No, I just have it because it came with the chair.
Sorry, Pastry said. No, you're taking Tuesdays off as a rest day.
It's
Okay,
Tuesday.
I see.
Why does it not feel like Tuesday?
It doesn't. It feels.
It
like
does
a
not
Thursday.
feel like. Yeah, it feels like a Thursday.
Your latest project has been writing a tutorial on how to make a traditional ASCII roguelike. It's funny you say that. I did streams like almost a year back where I made a traditional roguelike in Godot. Not
Wasn't ASCII though. He wasn't that cool.
No. I gotta sleep because it's work. Tomorrow's work time and it's freaking late here in France. All right, well, good luck. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for rating. I hope you have a good one. Let me actually shout you out. I'm sorry. I always forget to do that. We're not.
Yeah.
I'm not like stream focused around here. We just kind of do game dev. And people happen to raid, but I do appreciate it. Let's see.
Okay.
Sokoban is a staple of old classic. Is Sokoban? You say it's a staple of old classic roguelike games. How is it a classic of roguelike games? So fun. Sorry, I need to pull Jada to stream back up. NetHack is Sokoban Flores. What the fuck is NetHack? I should know what NetHack is. I'm sorry. Oh, it's just an old school roguelike. Okay. I mean, I could have used the context to figure that out, but that's actually crazy that I don't really know this game that well. I know the name NetHack, but I didn't really know it was a roguelike game. Which is very funny that whenever I talk about old school roguelikes, my first thoughts go to ADOM and Rogue, Caves of Cud, and oh my god, there's one more. What is the one more? I mean, I guess just Rogue, but yeah, Angband. I don't know Angband. Yeah, Nansington over on Twitch also said Angband.
So I think if I do it right, I should be able to set this up such that I can just pass in the health component to the health bar as a export, and I think with this signals I should be able to connect everything up.
Yep, hopefully. I hope so.
Yeah. And I will want to set so I want to set the number of hearts based on the max health.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which should just be max health divided by 2, I'd imagine.
Yes.
Rounded up.
Rounded up.
We actually have a function for that Godot, if you didn't know.
Oh, interesting. Which is?
Yeah. It's just seal.
Seal?
C-E-I-L. Yeah.
C-E...
Like sealing.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, and there's also seal I, which will return an integer rather than a float.
Okay. So for this, I think
Angband is
really
Lord of
all
the
I need
Rings.
is
Really? Okay, hold up. I'm looking this up now. That actually sounds sick. Angband. Ooh.
Wait,
It's a free single-player dungeon exploration game.
Maybe I'll pull it up.
Ooh, hold on. Hold on. This might actually be sick as fuck.
Boop.
I might try this out. I tried Rogue a little bit. I tried ADOM a little bit. ADOM is fucking insane. I watched a long video about ADOM because I couldn't play it. I was like, I still want to experience it. You might do some Sokoban in your own games to fuck with people. Fair enough.
I'm going to call...
How far do you want to take your...
The HBox container is going to be called heart container, and there's nothing you can do about it. I spelled that wrong.
Okay. Sure, dude. I see.
Anyways.
Yeah, no, I kind of want to try Angband. That seems kind of cool. I also really like... I like Dwarf Fortress as well, but not to play, mainly to watch. Again, I'm always going to recommend Krug Smash. I think Krug Smash is an amazing YouTuber. Ooh, that looks like shit. Yeah, no, that looks terrible, man. What am I doing? Oh, you know what? I could make him just like. Sorry, we're being a little stinky, dumb idiot head around here.
Nope. I love naming nodes very long things. It makes me happy.
Of course it does. So if I
Fortunately, you
just-
cannot read them because I do not have good stream quality. But that's okay. You can just imagine the names. Wah.
Oh yeah, sorry, I didn't finish asking that question, Lucasa. How far do you want to take your old school roguelike? Do you want to take it like is it just gonna be a project that you're gonna have for a while and you just keep adding shit to until you're, you know, good, until you feel like it's fun? Also, yeah, the turn energy system. I think Caves of Cud has something like that, where
Wah. Sorry.
you can take like specifically for like sprinting or whatever, you can do that where it's like you take half a turn to sprint, and once it adds up to a full turn, everything else can take a turn. So let's see. None of the major figures from the Silmarillion and books movies show up as unique enemies in Angband. You can actually fight Farmer Mag and his dogs. Oh, that's cool. No, I wasn't asking about you, but I am curious then, Ansington. Are you working on an old school roguelike as well? And if so, how far do you want to take it? Or what are you working on? What are we making out here? I can't figure out how I want this dash animation to look like. I think I made it a little too squishy. I won't lie.
Yeah, I can look.
So let's tone that back just a little bit. Squash and stretch
Let
is
the artist
so weird.
look at it.
Yeah. Maybe he's not supposed to stretch up like basically at all until the point where he's gonna like dash. Something like that. I guess I could
That
make
looks
him
like
like
it could work.
ease out or ease in. It's like
That
too
is not
fast, I
a.
think. Let's move
Let me
this
see.
back.
What are you doing? It's the. No.
I see the
That
motion.
last one, the easing on the last one is way off.
On the last one? Right?
Yeah.
Like where?
The one you just passed, the keyframe you just passed, that one.
So here?
No, the other one.
What do you mean the other? Here?
There, yes, there.
So the easing to here. From
Yes,
here to here?
that's bad. That should be ease in.
Well, no, this is it's supposed to be a hold frame this entire time, so it doesn't actually do anything.
Oh.
I just
Well,
forgot to
it
update
should
the
be.
second one. It's
It should ease.
this one.
Let me think.
Are you talking about the space from here? Because this determines the
No.
easing in this section.
No, that hold frame should not be there. That looks
You think
really,
it should,
really
go
bad.
back to regular? you
Yes.
think? And then ease in.
Yes.
Let's fucking find out. Whatever, dude. Splash and stretch. We'll see. Let me see what this looks like. Do a dash.
What's the easing in the first section?
The easing in the first section is a hold frame that does nothing.
That's all.
and then-
Yes. What is that
Well, this is
easing?
linear. I guess
That should be the ease out. Yeah.
Yeah. That might be fine. Let me look.
Yeah, it's better.
Mm-mm.
Maybe less. Make the like stretch smaller.
Make the stretch smaller.
Yes, I think it's
Can you
stretching
use-
too much.
Can you use normal people terms and tell me X or Y?
Y, less Y.
Y. Okay, less Y. Okay, word. I say normal people terms. Can you use programmer terms, please?
Okay.
I guess that can probably stick 1.8.
Yeah, they don't have to be like perfectly.
This honestly might be better to have this like out here, mayhaps.
think it looks okay. Maybe
Yeah, it's fine.
tone down the squish just a little bit so it's a little more subtle. Like 1.2, 0.8, yeah.
Yeah, we'll call that good.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
good enough.
Okay, let me read.
Will you
Is
meow
that
with
Amelia?
me?
Oh my
Sure.
god, is that Amelia from Pirate Software's Godot channel?
Sorry.
Or Pirate Software's Discord Godot channel? Hashtag Godot.
Is that Amelia from Pirate
Let's
Software's
see.
Godot
Version system is
channel?
like non-existent at the moment. It's up in the air. Mine was also non-existent. It was pretty much just everything takes a turn at the same time. Also, you're gonna run into some issues if you end up doing a turn-based system or you have multiple units. If you just loop over all the units on the grid, you could run into issues where a unit moves down and to the right, and then you update that tile later, and that ends up moving the unit down to the right again. So you end up just like he slingshots to the bottom right. Which is fun. Let's see. Hello. Let's see. Let me catch up with chat for just a moment. Another cool game, by the way. Hills of My Hall. I don't know how the fuck to say that. But you call it Tome? I'm calling it Tome, dude. Alright, what is this? Pastry, how old did you say you were again? Because you're like recommending some old ass games. Not that I'm like complaining, I think they're sick. But they are old ass games. Mm-hmm.
What the heck am I looking at right now?
This is a game for people that care about their gameplay, not about the looks.
I would like die if I played this game.
This motherfucker was complaining about the art style of a game, and he was like, I don't want to play it because of the art style. Look at this trailer. This trailer's like peak.
What do you mean peak?
Can you be friends with the person in my Twitch chat? Which one?
This looks terrible.
There's multiple people talking about old games right now.
This looks
Nancy
awful.
my main project starts the tutorial right now. Oh yeah, you talked about your tutorial. Yeah. His electric dreams. It's a bunch of random tech demo ideas you have using ASCII shoved into one project. That's cool. You do this. Okay, let me check out this Twitch stream. Or not Twitch stream image. Ooh, I fucking love ASCII games as well. Oh, cool. I don't know if there's supposed to be multiple views here or multiple images, but there's only one. I'm assuming this is a Firefox issue, and we're gonna check for a second. Because there's a chance that it is a Firefox issue. No, it is just the one. Okay, that's fine. Sorry, so Luke has this, yeah, the person in chat talking about Tome, is Scary Pastry. They're in my Discord as Scary Pastry. So you can just ping them if you want.
That's kind of scary.
They also stream and do game dev and stuff like that sometimes. So yeah, they're very cool. We have raid tagged each other a couple of times. Let's see. You can like make, yeah. Also, hello, Demon Wolf. How's it going? Sorry, I missed your message where you said hi earlier. I forgot to respond. Also, yeah, that game is from December 2012, but like it looks old as fuck. But like,
how big is?
I don't know. It looks kind of
the
sick.
health
I won't
bar?
lie to you. It's also going on my wish list. So.
Oh, the hearts are scaled by 4.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to think. Do
are
I
they?
want them to be 4?
Are they?
Yeah, they are.
I forgot the posting going live. Are you like, you flicking my nuts right now?
You forgot to post and going live.
No, I didn't. Are you? Check again, Kiki. Take a look.
Just look.
I'm gonna like kill that bot that you've got that just keeps posting in my chat about stream avatar extensions.
Well, I can't do anything else. Okay.
Let's see. It's almost kind of weird because when it started, it was actually Troubles of Middle Earth, an Angband fork expanding the world to cover multiple dungeons. I ran into legal problems. I had to rebrand Tomes of My Hall with all remade assets. That's really cool though that they were able to swap that around and do something with it.
Yeah, I think the heart should be 4.
Yeah. Yeah, that has some OGL level effects. I actually don't know that one either. Oh my god, you guys know too many like good games. OGL game, I'm assuming. Oh, I don't know. It's just this open game license. I'm gonna have to ask for clarification on what OGL is before I continue looking that up. Also, I wanted to do this. I wanted to make this work.
Yeah.
I wanted to do
Get back to work, game dev.
get back to work, game dev. I know.
As I spent the entire afternoon making stupid animations instead of working. But that's okay.
Of course.
That's because I'm allowed to do that because I'm the artist.
Theoretical. Is there a reason? Why is this rendering on top of everything?
Why is what rendering on top of everything?
Oh, there's z-index is set to 1. Why? Why is your z-index set to 1? I'm assuming you had a reason for that, but I'm gonna find out if that's true. Does YouTube chat not show up on stream? Oh, you know what? You're right. YouTube chat isn't showing up on stream at all. Is it? Wait, hold on.
That's awkward.
What the fuck? Why not? Give me a sec. I'm gonna figure that out. Okay, I guess we're gonna kill this source. Do I have... Am I streaming right now? Oh my god. I added the YouTube chat for Thursday's stream. Oh my god. Because I realized that I have an issue of if I don't set up the schedule, I will just forget to do it until before the stream. So I set up a Thursday stream unlisted and I used that one's URL. That's so...
Kind of a banger.
Okay, give me a sec. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah, he's not streaming at all.
Activate live in public. Please don't be the political check. Okay, fuck. Okay. Let's see. So Buy Me Games came out with a video recently from their visit with Steam, and it has some interesting information if you're releasing a game on Steam to get it to sell a bit better. Okay, I will check that out. Let's Buy Me Games. I feel like I know that, maybe. What do you make? Maybe I don't know them, actually. I'm looking at these games and I don't really recognize it. I feel like I know the name. Okay, let's see. Yeah, see infiltrated Steam. Here's everything you should know. Okay, I will keep that on open in a window, and I will watch that after the stream. Checking. I don't know what that means, but no. There is an issue that I fucked up. Okay. Yeah, I think we're caught up enough. So, what is the reason that you are rendering above everything? Do you need to do that? I don't think.
Wait, who?
This guy. Well, he sets a z-index 1 instead of z-index not that.
Oh, I think it's so his wings don't go behind walls? I don't remember.
Nope. He set the z-index 0 right now, and he's rendering perfectly fine.
Is
Whatever, we'll just go forward with that until we find out.
I don't know.
I
struggle with the
think you could go
z-index
here.
of stuff. Sometimes
Yeah,
I have to change it, and then I like don't. I don't know.
You can do this. You can set the entire object to z-index 1. Since its z is relative, all of these would then add their indices to this one. If you ever needed to do anything.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. So I wanted to add this game reticle. I wanted to have this animate when it's about to fire. I don't know how I want that to look, but I might just like play around with this until I get it to
What do you want it to do?
work in a way that I like. What'd you say?
What do you want it to do?
Ooh, very cool.
You
I
should
kind of wanted to have
scale
this.
it by 4 so it's pixel perfect.
Okay, do you have any other cool things that you would like to add to the world?
What else, or what are you using it for?
Is this...
Yes, that is.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to have it so when this animates the aim animation, I can have this go... What the fuck am I highlighted on? There we go. Scale. here. Say like 3. Bring this down to 0. Boop. So that the animation is like something like this, except maybe an ease in curve, so that it. Did it go back up?
What if
Why
you
are we going back up?
animated the actual size of the gradient texture so like it's pixel perfect?
No. Mm-mm. I'll show you why in a second, but the answer is no. I'm not doing that.
Does it look really bad when it's small?
No, it actually looks fucking sick. There is a problem, however.
Is
So
there?
yeah, so here's what I'll
Let's see
do.
it.
Whenever we go into the aim state, I will tell it to play the aim animation.
Mm-hmm.
And then we will see what this looks like really quickly. And then I will show you what... Okay, well, he's going to have that around him forever. But once he does his aim, so he does that. So let me slow this down. So like how long is he aiming? He's aiming for 1.5 seconds. Sure. So it does that. So that's what his animation looks like. For now. So, ooh, actually, sorry, I'm getting way ahead of myself. I'm just thinking of like really cool things of like, what if this did this animation where it kind of, and then it sits for a second before up. Maybe scale this up to like 4.5. Oops, sorry, 4.5. So this goes up and then kind of back down a little bit. Why are you not? Yeah, sure, something like that. I'm just curious what that looks like. No. Okay, so if I want to animate the
Yeah.
gradient texture. So it's really cool and it looks sick as fuck. Specifically, I believe it's this. So if I wanted to animate this downwards like that, that is the 2 option. So use this and then drag this out to 1.5 and drag this down to 0, or sorry, 0.5. Do that. So it looks cool. However, so it looks cool, but.
Mm-hmm.
But. Let me see if it does it. Okay, so it's not going to show it because it's a little hard to see because my computer is really good. However, it hurts performance a lot.
I see.
But you don't actually, I don't think, because I don't think it's doing it yet. So it just did it. I guess it won't show up on here. It matters more on my laptop.
Interesting.
Using a gradient texture that you animate the actual fill texture of fucking decimates my laptop.
That's really funny.
I think it also depends on the size of the texture. So if this was like a 1024 by 1024, this would like really hurt, I think. So it could be used like sparingly.
Where is it? Oh.
It's because I made it so large.
Well, like where did it go?
Okay, it's not even that bad, but
maybe they changed how it works and it's better now.
I mean, they might have, but yeah, I'll just leave it at what it was doing before. I'll just say I think I may have been wrong on that one, but I'm fairly certain to remember on my laptop it caused a lot of issues. I'll retest that before we say for sure we won't do that, but scale will set to 0, 0 by default. Oh, I know what I can do. Boop.
Okay, well, back to the health bar. I got it. The containers work, so now I can add art containers and shield containers, and it works forever.
It works forever.
which is actually pretty cool.
Oh, you actually got it working.
Yeah.
I was not looking.
I mean, it wasn't that hard.
Okay, so
So
does it
that's
like
why I
actually
liked
work? Like, do you have the scripts working?
Oh, no, not like the scripts and stuff, but like.
Oh, okay.
I just mean like the positioning.
Yes, this is what he's looking at. So he's got he's using HBox containers now.
But
And so they kind of just like fill in the gaps like that.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Where is... What is the positioning of these based on the corner?
Maybe this could be faster, actually. I don't know my animation principle well enough. Could start this a little late. Who knows?
Let's see if we take this. Hide you. Our new health bar in here.
That's... Oh, also, I'm sorry. I need to.
Mhm.
I keep forgetting to read chat.
Oh, yeah,
Um,
it'd be like that.
Also from the video, English is no longer the dominant language on Steam per the video. It's simplified Chinese by 0.6%. English is 33%, Chinese is 33.6% by Valve. Okay. Fuck. That's cool. However, I don't know how Chinese works as a typeface, and I don't know if it would be hard to localize in Godot.
Did you change the camera?
Huh?
What the heck is going on with the camera? Why is it bouncy?
What the fuck? Why is the camera doing that? No?
Okay,
I
I
don't
probably
think-
changed broke something with the
No,
camera.
I may have changed it, but I don't... Mine does that a little bit, but it doesn't do it nearly that much. Can you show me your
Give me a
camera export
second.
reference?
Where's the camera? In here somewhere, right?
Yeah,
Right
right there.
camera. 25. Oh, it did get changed.
Oh, it lost the... Yeah, it's 5 and point.
Oh, because I was messing
It looks
with
like it got
the...
blown away in a merge somewhere.
I think it was
Or
because I wanted to add a camera to record my animation, so I just tried adding a bitty camera because I wanted to have the like screen shake and stuff.
Ah.
But then I was
I see.
like, let me just write my own real quick. See, I only needed like one line to have the screen shake.
Yeah.
That's really funny.
Yeah.
Camera still needs some work, but
Yeah, it does a little bit.
okay. But you can see the health bar is added. It doesn't do anything, but as it looks perfectly fine
Does it?
compared
Really?
to the other one. Looks almost exactly
Oh.
the same.
Yeah. You can also change the spacing on the... Or you can change the... There's a bunch of things you can do, because you're using an HBox container now. You can
Yeah,
change the
I already
spacing.
did that. I changed the spacing so it matches the
Okay.
original. And then the shields are a little bit closer together since they're smaller.
They're also a little low. I feel like they should maybe be a little like one pixel
Everything?
higher.
Or the shields?
Just the shields. They
Just
feel like
the
they're a little bit
shields.
lower than the others.
Okay.
Chinese.
Probably 'cause they
example
are.
text. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna see what happens if we just like fucking toss some Chinese in here. I don't know what this word means. It's on a Wikipedia page about learning Mandarin, so I'm gonna assume that it's something educational and not terrible. I'm so sorry if it isn't that. Oh wait, is this our pixel font? Yeah, this is. So it just shows up like that, which is kind of fire. I won't lie.
Is that better?
Dante. Yes, that does feel better. It does feel weird that they're a little smaller, but I think it's fine. Like something about it feels just a little weird. Is it?
I can always change the
Oh,
texture.
it's not raining. Those are just the cicadas outside being loud as hell.
Insane.
Yeah, there's a feature in Godot for localization. Yeah. So I know that we do have localization in Godot. We don't use it. I don't know how hard it would be to add. I'll look into that at some point. I've never
Yeah.
really thought about releasing a game on Steam anytime remotely soon. And even though, like, I never approached the project with, I'm going to release this on Steam one day. I just kind of approached them as I'm working on a project. But now that
But yeah, localization is definitely something we should probably think about.
Godot makes it a lot easier than it needs, than like
Yeah.
a lot of other engines, but...
I love hopping around the
yeah, I wanna
project
do-
instead of like actually working. It's so fun.
But of course.
Oh, by the way, I use W to jump,
Gross.
in case you're wondering.
Do you actually?
It depends on the day, but
That's crazy.
usually.
He uses W to jump?
It's just like, it's closer. You don't have to like, I don't know. I think we should make space be like some kind of powerful ability. So that way for all the people that use space to jump, they just end up using that as their punishment for using space to jump.
Fuck. You're like evil as fuck, man. That's disgusting.
Yeah, I'm evil. Use W to jump only on Wednesdays. It is not Wednesday, so no.
That might be true. I don't know though. Is it Wednesday?
It might be Wednesday. It could be Wednesday.
I might be down to pretend it's Wednesday. I don't know what I'm doing with this reticle, I'll be honest. Whatever, dude. We're gonna
I think it should basically do what you're doing, and then it should also have particles that like stream into the eye thingy.
Oh, into the...
Yeah.
Like, you mean from the outside thing into this?
That they go like not from it, but just alongside it. So they'll kind of stick out of it a little bit, but they're completely independent from the circle.
I have no clue what you're saying. I know what you're saying. I cannot picture what you're saying.
Let me look. Let me see. Let me take a screenshot of what you're doing.
Yep.
Pull it up here.
Yep. Sure.
Make it nice and big so you can see. Oop. So like lines that like stream in like this, like particles.
Okay, are these individual lines or are they like particles that are flowing in like that? I guess it would be like...
Yeah, they like flow in.
Do you have line particles?
We have trails for particles.
You have line particles then, right? Right?
Do I?
Particles. Right, you have what's the door particles? The door.
Oh, I don't know what those are called.
This guy. They're called card activate 2. Sure, dude. Wait, we're missing those. Did we... Are those supposed to still be there?
Hmm?
When you activate a card, there's no particles, right? Do we want there to be particles?
What do you mean?
There's no particles on the card when you activate it.
What do you mean there's
right?
no particles in the card?
Yes. Use a card. Any card, man. Preferably one that can be used up once.
I have particles.
I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. I thought there were no particles. Oops.
I don't know what you're on.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Card activate 2.
Okay.
Also, we are working on
concerning.
Enter the Gungeon, except it is side view instead of top down, and instead of guns, you collect cards.
So it's basically like not Enter the Gungeon.
Not even. It is. But yeah. Particle process. Do I need to? Oh my god, my brain is just like not working for any of this.
That's okay.
Set it to 4. 4.
What am I writing? Health component. Yes, that's what I'm writing.
Yeah. In the game Postal 2. Nothing like it. I don't know, man. That's kind of fire. Let's see. Position. We want you to be a ring. Okay, I'm gonna say it. I'm gonna say it. Godot. All I want from you in 4.5, and I know this isn't gonna happen because I'm fairly certain it's already been, the build has been cut. Please add a display for the emission shape that you're creating inside of a particle emitter. I think that we can do that. I think we can do that. So emission ring height, probably from here to here, so 100 pixels. Wait, height. The height of the ring. What is the radius of the ring then? You're not telling me anything. Okay, cool.
Look at him go.
Croc put glue on his face. The song playing? Yeah, Night in the Woods. I fucking love Night in the Woods. It's
Wait, Night in the
so
Woods?
good.
Is that like Night in the Woods?
Oh no. How do you make a particle move inward? Can you do that? I actually just realized I don't know enough about Godot particles, I think.
Time, maybe? I'm trying to think if there's a way to like reverse it.
Because I'm like, they're in a ring, obviously. Can I tell them to direction of velocity? No. Oh yeah, Alec Holka. Oh my god, dude, his fucking story is so tragic. I get angry whenever I think about it. I'm still not over it. He was taken from us way too early for stupid shit that wasn't real.
I'm trying to think how you do it.
I don't know how to do this. I'm like sitting here and I'm like, how do I do this? So like we could do, I believe we can use a particle attractor. Oh, maybe not. Can we not use an attractor? Is that not a thing in 2D? What?
Let me just add a particles.
Attractor interaction enabled. Only occurs in the area defined by the G. Okay, hold on. Godot inward particles. We're gonna find out. Can particles travel inward instead of outward? Change the emission shape to a sphere or box. Okay. Set gravity to 0. Sure. Radial accel to a negative value. So under animated velocity, radial velocity. Or no, acceleration. Radial accel to a negative value.
Yeah.
What the fuck? Really? I didn't know that. Okay, cool.
Interesting. Now I don't know how you make them face in the direction they're moving.
Oh, I know how to do that. It's a...
Oh. Oh.
Yeah, that's easy.
I didn't know that was a thing you could do. Oh, that actually looks sick.
Minus whatever.
You just want to make them smaller when they get closer.
Yeah. They're also... Yeah, I also want to make them maybe a little smaller off rip. Yeah, you'll jump to disperse. You'll stop distracting. So they're gonna make a barracks and build queue system. Yeah. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for chatting. Obviously it is distracting whenever I talk to people in chat, but like that's kind of, I could have just fucking streamed and not. I could have not streamed and worked on the game. So like, there's a reason I'm streaming, is that I want people to ask questions.
Biddy, how do I make a health bar?
What the fuck did you just say to me?
I said, Biddy, how do I make a health bar?
What do you mean? How do you make a health bar?
Well, you said you wanted people to ask questions, okay?
Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. Okay, I get you. Yeah. Okay.
Those are some great looking particles. Just want to say.
Thanks. It's because they have acceleration. I don't want them to have acceleration. I want them to have damping.
Hmm?
And then I want them to... Why are they not damping? Oh, because I need to set them to damping as friction. and then turn up the damping, mayhaps. Nope. Very cool. Thank you. Very good.
Okay, well, good luck. I'm going to finish my health bar. How do I do this? Okay.
Why is damping doing nothing? Am I like losing my mind? Okay, so if they move out, do we dampen? 64 particles. You guys last for 3 seconds.
I don't think you would want them to damp, though.
Probably not.
Like, that'll be weird for them to get slower as they go in. Like, I would think they would start slow and then speed up and then get smaller as they get, like, sucked in.
Oh, yeah, you're probably right. Oops. Sure, dude. 0, 0. With no damping. Yeah, you're right. Oopsie.
The artist is always
it's like
right.
funny the things that I'm good at animation wise and then the things that you're good at animation wise. Because you are right that this would make more sense.
I'm rotating particles in my head right now.
He is. So as they speed up, the particles drop in size, mayhaps. And then the max velocity, min velocity, I don't know, 15. And then I need you to animate over time towards the circle. Oh, that looks fucking weird. Oh, that looks weird, but not the correct kind of weird.
What did you do?
Don't worry about it yet.
I mean, that's looking a little bit better. Kind of.
Alpha curve. Yeah. And then I think they do need to have maybe a bit more radial excel.
Yeah.
But they're going past the center, and I don't want them to, which is a problem that I don't know how to solve. What if you did just have like? What if you just started with velocity? No, definitely not.
Maybe make them get smaller faster.
Yeah, maybe scale over. Hold on. Yeah, no, okay, we're just gonna use this. Give me a sec, I'm being stupid, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm trying to get too fancy with it when I shouldn't be doing that. I should just do this thing. What if I stream Peak? What if I stream Peak instead of
Here,
this
let me
thing?
put on Biddy's stream since the artist is helping.
Okay, they need to move faster, I think. I don't like that they're... Can I change the offset of the particle? Sure, mayhaps. Display scale, drawing, rect. Can I not change the offset on this? This is like embarrassing, man. I should know more about particles than this. And it's not here, right? I mean, I could make this blended, but I don't think I want to. Yeah, I'll just change the texture. I think. Right. I can do an atlas and then card activate 2. Set the region to this. So it's centered around the tip of the particle. Sorry, wrong one. So it's centered around this side of the particle. Okay, now we're getting
that already
kind of
decent.
somewhere. if we were to
Wait
make
a
this
second.
start
Wait a second. Go
this
back. Go to the spawn. The particle spawn.
way? Sure.
Spawn shape.
Yep.
Make the ring radius smaller. Or wait, no. Inner radius.
Smaller.
You want that to be larger.
So the ring radius is this part.
Yeah, but because that's a ring, not a circle, right? Because I think ideally you would want to have them spawn pretty much all in the same position distance-wise from the center.
Yes, that's what they're doing.
Is that what they're already doing?
Yes, they're all. Yeah. So the height.
Okay, I
believe,
see. Never mind. Maybe stupid.
Yeah,
I
so
thought
if I
that they
were
were
to set this,
spawning
like,
at different
out here-
distances, and that's why they were.
No, I guess
No.
they are. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh no, it's. Oh, hold on. I think it's because of this. Because I have the scale set to random. If I set this to 4. No. Okay.
No.
Hold on.
I'm pretty
You
sure
might
you have
be
to
right.
make that change the inner radius.
I wish. Oh, I wish that this had a little bit more description to it than
I'm pretty sure it's inner
this.
radius.
Like it doesn't tell me anything. Yeah, you might be right, but I was thinking that it would be. Oh shit! I didn't realize it was like that. Because it's a ring. It's like if this is the ring, there's like this shaded area. I can't tell which one is which. I was thinking.
Inner
Okay, I guess
radius
this is
is
the radius
the
and then
just the
inner
little
radius.
circle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
This is annoying because they have these elements. They could just use these.
Well, you would want the ring radius and inner radius to be the same if you want them to be. Yeah, see, just like that.
Let me try this real quick. Make sure that this is working the way that we expect.
That actually looks really sick just by itself.
Okay, yes.
That actually looks so
What is
cool.
height? What is height? Okay, all right. It I don't know, man. Could this be like -999? No. Okay. Cone angle. It did something somehow. Oh, this one has a description. Okay, yeah. The angle of the cone when using the emitter emission-shaped ring. The default angle of 90 degrees results in a ring, while an angle of 0 degrees results in a cone. Okay, yeah, for sure. No, I believe you. This is probably 3D settings or whatever.
Yeah, that makes sense actually now that I think about it.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that
just
makes
this
sense.
is
That makes
like
sense.
100 and-
Because if it's because of the height. So they probably just like copied it from the 3D and didn't bother changing
Well,
it.
it's because it's the same. There's no difference.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, what? What? Wait. Oh my god, this is a shader.
You didn't know you could do that?
No, I didn't realize that this was a shader. I didn't realize the particle process stuff was a shader.
Oh,
Like
I
the
didn't know
things that
that.
we were just editing, these are shaders, which means that you could write your own. Oh my god. Okay. Undo. Keep that in mind for a rainy day. We'll come back to that later. This is a mystery mouse tool. All right. Yeah, they're animating in a weird way. Yeah, that is the GPU and GPU particles. Yeah, that makes sense. I just didn't think about it until I saw that. I was like, holy shit, you're right. It's just like a compute shader type. Well, not like compute shader.
no,
type
you just
shader.
need to
Maybe
make
it
them
is. I
go
don't know.
in more.
Yeah. You're right.
I'm right? Really?
Acceleration. Sorry, animated velocity, radial velocity would be like -20, -20. No. What about if I were to... They're not doing exactly what I want, and that's probably fine. But liquid.gd shader, that is not the boy kisser, and I hate that you assumed that it was.
I think that velocity wise it looks fine. It's just that they're getting small and fading too fast. Maybe make it like a ease out or ease in.
This looks fucking weird.
Yeah, it does.
an ease in? Ease in is
Or
tangent
the other way.
0 degrees.
Backwards ease in.
Minus 54. Yeah, I have to. I think I can swap these around.
Whoa.
It's like kind of close to an ease in. It's not, but.
You can just like make it yourself.
Yeah, but like I don't.
But then it's not perfect. Alright,
I
dog.
mean, that's what an ease in looks like, but.
No.
Yes, that is an ease in, brother. What are you talking about? Are you insane? That's not an ease in. Am I stupid?
Yes.
Because this is where it's at over time. So there's not a whole lot of change here. The most change is down here. Like from here to here, there's more change.
That's
from,
ease
like here to
out,
here.
I thought.
So ease in means it starts slow and it eases its way into the animation. Ease out means it starts fast and it slows in towards like the outside of the animation. Like it. You can also see if I do ease in here, you can see that it starts with very little change between these two, and the most changes from this one and this one. So ease in means it starts slow and speeds up.
Okay, somehow it being upside down just broke my brain.
I mean, fair enough.
Then I think it should... Actually, no, I think that looks fine. It just needs to like...
I also would like to make it start with...
Yeah, like that. That looks good.
Yeah, maybe even like... Sure, dude. Oh wait, what if they also... we're gonna do some shit.
Sorry.
Lois. What if they... Never let a programmer on the animator.
I think they should start faster.
You think so?
I think the initial velocity should be a little bit higher.
So let me get rid of all the radial accel real quick. We're going to set you to 0, so you're not going to speed up at all. Minus 100 does that. There's a problem in the center there. So I could make this die super early, right? Am I editing the right one? Yeah, alpha curve. And then make the start velocity very high. I could also make it so that these don't last for very long. Like,
yeah.
Where's the time?
Lifetime.
Like 0.25 seconds. Then make it like minus 250 or something like that. So it's kind of that.
That's like a bit better. Maybe a little bit slower. I think they should also just be smaller overall. They're like way too big, I think.
Oh, they're doing some weird shit there. I think it's because of...
You could also make them randomized velocity or randomized scale, so some of them are smaller. Cheap viewers.
Cheap viewers?
Cheap viewers.
Oh, okay. You got it blocked in your chat because I was like...
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, Nansington. I missed your message. I'm sorry. So what else have you done? So this is your ASCII stuff that you've been doing. This is all ASCII. This is fucking sick. I love ASCII projects so much because...
that's so cool.
I did a couple while I was in college. It's honestly really fun writing your own render out of like ASCII text.
I tried doing that like once, I think.
Dope. That's so dope.
I made like a little like...
Oh, and you've got like a Wolfenstein style render.
That's sick.
I love that. These are actually so cool as well.
Yeah.
If you ever want to learn some stuff like this, there's a channel called Javid X9. Or Javid X9, I don't know. This guy does a bunch of really cool stuff that I would recommend checking out at some point. It's very like C++ and C stuff. Well, maybe C++. Ooh.
That's so cool.
Dude, I'm telling you, shit like this is so cool. But like you as an artist, you're like, I don't like that. I love the way that it like launches down and grabs shit and goes.
It's very programmer.
It is. Whoa. Is this just a bouncing ball? Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, I didn't expect that. That feels weird. That feels really weird to see it.
Boing.
Oh, I see the titles below it. Okay. Duh, I was like, how's this a fishing game? I was like, I thought that was the fishing game. This is Mancala. Oh, it doesn't have the little animations. Did motherfuckers be making me think about
Those
going
are
back and
like
trying
so
some like
cool.
really cool low-level stuff now? I see that up there. I see that. I see what this is. I see someone using mono game. I recognized it. I thought you were using C++ for this. Not that it makes it any less cool. Is this? It is. This is Lumbridge. Oh yeah, it is Lumbridge. Okay. Do you know what that is?
No.
JW, do you know
clue.
what Lumbridge is?
Zero idea.
No.
Nope.
No clue.
Nope.
Okay. It's RuneScape. It's the starting point of RuneScape.
Gross.
Oh, it also says welcome to RuneScape right there. So fucking sick. Now projects like that look really cool. Let's see. His SAD console was an ASCII library for C Sharp. Okay, I got you. Yeah. Lumbridge, my beloved.
So I think it looks
I actually didn't play that much.
decent. It should the scales should be random. They shouldn't all be the same scale when they start.
This artist.
Oh yeah, that looks so much better.
Artists. Whatever, dude. Whatever, dude. Yeah. And then I think I tell this to like stop emitting, and then it would just. What if we set it to 256? Nope.
Can you animate like particle properties like while it's running?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
You can do that. I mean, it's a
Because I
shader
was thinking
uniform, basically.
you would want to like I think you'd want to like increase maybe the amount as it charges. I'm not sure.
Mm-hmm.
I'll let you figure that out. I'm gonna get back to my programming because I should be working. Back to
I did 0.25 seconds, right? So like right here is where I would turn this off. Sorry, flip those around. Flip it and twist it. Something like this. Something like that. And then have this turned off at the start. Yeah, and then sorry, you said increase the what?
increase.
Or probably lower the emission radius, right? Maybe emission radius and
Let me
lifetime.
think. Let me think.
I'm not sure. Just thinking.
I think the amount and just start with the amount. Just start with animating the amount.
Sure. I'm down for that. Let's see what that does. Nope. Well, I guess I can make it more drastic and make it like, I don't know, 128. Oh, that's not doing it.
Because it stops emitting. Because it stops
Yeah, but
emitting.
this should be emitting the entire time, where it's increasing the amount, right? Is this not?
It doesn't. I don't think it changes. Does it?
Oh, it's like.
Yeah. I don't think you can I don't think it interpolates between them or whatever it's called.
It should. I would think it would.
I wouldn't think it would. Maybe I'm insane.
Interesting. Okay, I would have thought that it would animate this
would
amount
not think
over
that
time.
it would.
Oh wait, did I? I animated amount, right? Yeah. So this is not even in the particle. Like this is not even in the shader thing. This is actually just on the node. So this should be updating.
That's weird. For the health component, I want to be check. Actually, let me think. Max health. When is that going to change? And how can I check? Max health.
Okay,
Oh.
I see. So
Mhm.
it wants us to change the amount ratio rather than the amount.
Amount ratio?
Yeah, so amount ratio is a thing that allows you to say that you want it to be able to emit up to 64 particles. Why didn't you
Oh,
start?
interesting.
Why didn't you start emitting? Output index is out of bounds. Okay, whatever, dude. Because it says this, whenever you change this, it will restart the particle system. Instead, you can update this amount over time.
Oh,
So
okay.
it starts with like 0. We can say like start here, yes, up to here to 1, and then this should hopefully. I don't know if it's gonna play correctly because it's not. Oh, because I didn't need to do that. It's because I disabled the animation track. Oopsies. Ooh. So now we've got 8. Yeah, so it does build up.
It should
And then it
start with
stops.
like 2 and end with like 16.
Start with 2 and end with like 16. Okay. Well, let's say 16.
Does it have like easing on it or something?
No,
I
it
guess
doesn't.
not. Yeah.
It's
Maybe if it started
'cause it
emitting
goes-
earlier.
Oops. Oh wait, let me.
Also, the color should be the same as the ring.
Yeah, we'll worry about that in a second. I don't like that turning off the emission just immediately kills it, but it's because the lifetime of these is so short. Well, now that doesn't look very good. What if I set this?
I would no. I think it was on before. I think the solution is right after it kind of like sucks in like that, have it have like an animation when it shoots that kind of like launches a similar particle outwards. So basically like the animation that it's doing now with the particles, like that but backwards. Where it like shoots them out, but like all at once in like a big burst.
So,
So
like
right
there,
yeah,
right
so like
here it goes like, or
yeah, so I think the ring should suck in right as those end. Yeah, just maybe like a little bit. The other way? No, maybe.
What?
Let me.
So what do you want? Do you want this to stop emitting after the ring is through?
Let me just see. I think it should be just slightly after.
Slightly after. So I feel like this kind of.
Actually, no, that looks fine. Never mind.
Okay. And then whenever the ring closes, it's just like a little pop.
Yeah. Maybe you would have that on the other part that's shooting. Like I think each time it shoots, it should have like a burst.
I see what you're saying. Yeah.
So kind of like a muzzle flash, but like it's a.
Why is this
not a gun?
Scene? I don't know. That's a scene. Oh, because on the projectile. I see. We're not doing that. We're gonna put this here. I need to make unique. I need you to. What if I told you that I've been on your screen this entire time?
Yeah, I know.
What do you mean? Yeah, you know. I'm lying.
What?
Like, imagine I was streaming your screen the entire time.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant I was streaming your screen the entire time. I was like, yeah,
no,
I know.
No.
I'm helping you with the particles. Okay, it should definitely be a little bit smaller.
Yeah, it should be slower as well, and it should have more particles.
No.
Maybe not that many. Hold on.
That looks
I got an idea.
decent.
I got ideas. Give me a second. I
Okay.
have ideas.
I'll let you cook and then I'll tell you what you're doing wrong.
Okay. I'm okay with that. That's definitely not right.
That looks a bit better. Also, don't forget, are they spawning in the very center, or are they spawning?
They're not.
Okay, they should spawn, like, pretty much in the
Yeah.
center.
Yeah. What if we stream each other's streams? I don't know why the fuck I said that sentence like that, but yeah.
Mm-hmm.
No, that would be terrible because GW has no nitro. So.
Yeah. Now that I'm looking at this, it should have a couple slightly larger ones, so you should set the max scale a little bit
I just
higher.
don't know why damping is not doing anything. Like
I forget, there's always something
just
weird with damping, and I don't know why.
I don't know if damping, I would love to be able to see what this value does, but unfortunately I can't because it doesn't have documentation because I have to go in here and then read for damping. Oh, cool. Okay. Sure. It's definitely not doing that though. As you can see, we're at 100. Damping as friction is off now. It's not doing anything. Is it because this needs to be actual velocity? Is radial velocity not the same?
You could just change the velocity curve.
Is this... I could change the velocity curve, right? Is this velocity over a lifetime? Anyone know?
I would think so.
I kind of wish we had better names. Because I can't tell if this is the random spread of velocities or if this is the velocity over time. The answer is
velocity over time, 100%.
But it's right next to this, which is the velocity spread. So I was thinking like, okay, well, this is a curve that is how likely it is to be along this range, because that's how it is for this. You have
Oh, I didn't know that.
if I set this to 15, this is 0 and 15, and then you say how much along this, you can see this. It's like how much along this. I'm fairly certain. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it is. Okay, yeah, I'll just do that. I'll just make it so that it dampens to a slow amount, which is not, I guess I would do here, right? Or, sorry, I want this to be eased out, right? Maybe not. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, man. Did I change these to a larger lifetime? I didn't. Let's make it 5 real quick. Why are you not, am I changing the wrong thing?
What are you changing?
Wait, am I not? What did I just change the lifetime of? Am I stupid?
Yeah.
What did I just change? Pre-process. No, I don't know what the fuck I changed. Whatever. I'm like losing my mind over here. I don't know what I'm talking about. I have no idea what I just did. No idea what I just did. Today isn't real. Okay. So
I feel like
these are very
surprisingly
slow.
productive today, even though I haven't really done a whole lot, but like
I haven't felt
I feel like I
productive at all.
could do a lot. But yeah, add a new music to my playlist.
I'm not.
So
I want to do that at some point as well. I've been kind of rocking the same playlist for a while.
I added some songs from Knuckle Sandwich because it has a banger soundtrack. I've never played it, but it has a banger soundtrack.
How about this? I have an idea. So, you know how we're using this radial velocity thing here?
Yeah.
Got rid of it. Got rid of the radial velocity curve. What if I just used the like?
Yeah, you could just set the velocity and set the spread to be whatever, 180, 360. I don't remember what the max is. I think it's just 180.
Yeah.
Oh, that looks
no,
great.
that's gonna look like shit because it's not gonna go. Well, I guess I could just set it to be a point.
Yeah. But it still
like
looks terrible.
That
It looks terrible.
Let's fix some of them aren't.
Okay. Still kind of looks terrible.
This motherfucker doesn't trust the process. Ever.
I'm just saying it still kind of looks terrible. Okay, I'll let you do that. I'll just keep you up on screen since yours like actually looks interesting compared to coding.
Coding is interesting. What are you
No,
talking about?
wrong.
Okay. All right. Okay, buddy. All right, buddy. All right, pal.
Okay. We work so well together. We like.
Yeah, we do.
We definitely don't hate each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I'm going insane over here, dude. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing.
Do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm not doing that.
Okay, I'm not doing that then.
Okay.
Okay, we're just gonna call it fine for now. I'm gonna say whatever. We have something that works.
Why?
I
What
don't
do you
care.
mean you're
can
just
go back
giving
and-
up?
Yeah, I'm giving up on that one specifically.
Bruh, this guy. Does it work?
Because this should.
You gotta at least change the color.
Oh yeah, true.
The charge definitely looks nice.
Yeah, whatever. I'm back in the fucking building again. Color. Do we want it to
Color.
ramp anything? We could make it like start red. Oh, cool. Thank you, Godot, for putting me up there. Godot's a roguelike.
I don't know. I mean, you're the one making it. I'm sure like you can come up with something. I mean, you're pretty good at
Yeah,
art.
surely,
Yeah, you're
dude.
pretty good at art, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm so good at art. Check this out. Check this out. Why are you not doing anything? Why is it not doing anything? It's not... Am I, like, losing my mind over here? Holy shit, it's Timber Hearth?
It's,
Oh, did I clear the... What? What did I do? Sorry. We're being productive today.
you
as
changed
can
the
see.
alpha curve. You changed the alpha
I did,
curve.
but I don't know how. I was editing... Was it because I was editing the... No! What do you fucking mean? It works here, but it doesn't work here? It does a roguelike.
I think it should start as orange and then get like white.
It does a roguelike. Roguelike.
Actually, maybe you should change color.
Hi, baby.
Maybe you should change color as the as it charges rather than as it as the individual particles emit. I think that would look
I
good.
see what you're saying, yeah.
Because then you could make the out ring and the particles change at the same time.
Can someone explain to me what I'm doing wrong and why this isn't showing up? Am I? Oh, I know what's wrong.
Can I
This is set
do?
to 0 scale. Found it. What?
Okay, do I have to do? Never mind. I can figure this out
Okay, what?
myself. I'm doing cool programmer stuff.
Okay. Fair enough. Yeah, no, you got it, Queen.
I'm just seeing if I can do something cool. If I can spell. Holy, I can't spell. Container. Container does not look like a word anymore. Probably because I spelled it wrong 4 times in a row. Can I do this? Is this legal?
What are you trying to do?
Okay, so I can't do that. I wanted to see if
colon
I could...
Instead of as.
Oh. Thought you could do as.
Nope.
Okay, you can do that though.
It will crash if there's anything that isn't part
Yeah,
container
that's-
inside of it though.
Exactly why I want that.
I'll never mind, I'll let you figure it out.
What were you gonna say?
Nothing,
What?
dude. Don't worry about it.
What did I spell container wrong?
No, you didn't do anything wrong. Just
What did I do?
Use your code. Don't worry. Don't
What
worry
did I
about it.
do?
Don't worry about it.
But what did
There's
I
nothing wrong.
What did
Dude.
I-
Just fucking do it.
what did I
Just
do?
go. Oh no. Oh no.
You
the anchor's
said
attachment is
there's
coming out.
something.
Here it is. Here
Oh.
it is. You got this, man.
See, this is why I don't code.
This is why someone joins the stream and they're like, "Do you two hate each other?"
No,
so fucking
I mean,
funny.
maybe. It depends on the
Yeah.
day.
It depends on what game we're all playing.
Okay.
Uh,
None of these look like
what color
words.
did you say it should ramp to? Sorry.
It should start at orange and it should go to white.
Okay. Over the lifetime of the.
Yes.
Okay. Why are you red? I
Hope
selected,
your
right?
stream just stopped playing. Your stream just
Oh.
stopped entirely.
Yeah, my Discord just stopped everything.
Nice.
Actually, I think my Discord crashed and reopened or something.
Nice.
Which screen am I on currently? What am I? Oh, it's this one.
There we go.
Yeah, let me. Okay. There's no way that this is the same color as this, right? Like, I'm losing my mind if anyone thinks that's the same color, correct?
That's the same color.
Are you sure? Let's find out.
Oh.
Very weird same color that we're seeing around here,
Wait a second.
isn't it?
Did you change like the curves at all? Is it no, it wouldn't be the alpha curve. I'm trying to think, what is it?
That fucking works.
I think it's the alpha. Is it because you changed the alpha curve? You didn't change any of the other ones?
Nope. Should just be this. Is it because it's in the world? Is there scale?
Okay, this is gonna sound really stupid, but is it because you changed the alpha curve while the color wasn't the orange? I don't know, that wouldn't make sense. What if you get rid of the alpha curve entirely? Is it still orange? Is it orange? No, it's not orange.
Not even remotely.
Okay, so it's not.
I think it's because it's in the world. I think it's because the world has an environment or something. No.
No, because the other stuff would glow. I feel like. Did you change the material or the?
There's no material.
Okay, there's no material. There's no.
There's no material.
There's
Is
no.
the texture fully white?
No.
Is this a different color
No,
than
it's
white?
not. It's not fully white. It's like the white from the color palette.
I think I found it. I think we found it, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm pretty sure it's
This
the
is not
white in the
white.
color palette.
Let's find out.
I don't think it's pure white.
You can use Godot for like years, and still end up with. It's not white. You're correct. It is the most not. It is very, very slightly not white. Look at that difference. Look at that difference, everybody. That's.
Yep.
How do I? It's Control Alt. Yeah. Wow. Okay, so that's why it's not doing that. I see. Okay, that's fine. I don't really care that much then. So let's go ahead and do color be HSV. Let me make this like an orange, a very slightly saturated orange into top. Let me animate it, please. Thank you. What time is it? Lukaiza, if you're still here, which you just sent a message like a minute ago, what time is watch party?
Oh yeah, it looks nice with that curve.
we doing it at 9 p.m.? I mean, that's fine. I just didn't know what time we were doing it.
9 seems fine. Unless you have anything you want to be doing.
Not really. Yeah, I'll just keep streaming until like probably midnight, I think.
Yeah.
You know, this is a game jam game for anyone who just tuned in. I'm just
Get index.
I'm sorry.
Divide by 2. That'll give us... I want it to be times 2.
What'd you say?
I'm thinking to myself.
Oh.
I can talk to myself too, you know?
Really?
It's not just you.
Didn't know that. Weird. Ooh, way too fast. You need to be like here, I think. Ooh. Maybe you turn to orange instead of white. Oh, that looks like shit. That looks so bad. I think it's because of the background, actually.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't. What if I did something really funny and cool instead of something handy? Ooh, this is one of my favorite Stardew songs. JB, correct me if I'm wrong. You've never played Stardew, right?
Yeah, I've played it.
Have you played it a lot? Have you finished the game? He's opening up Steam on stream.
I have 84 minutes in Stardew Valley.
Go ahead and show them the games on your Steam. Go on, man.
I'm on your screen right now because you're trying to figure out particles, so they can't see.
Oh, okay. I see.
So you can pull it up on your
Nickel
screen.
Zero. How's it going? What'd you say?
I said, so you could pull it up on your screen.
Oh, what, your games? Show them how many
Ooh,
hours you
it's
have playing
pink,
Atlas.
No.
Have you played Atlas?
Atlas? Yeah, I played a little bit. I don't know. It was fun. I couldn't figure out what I was supposed to be doing.
Yeah.
I was like, oh, maybe this is like an MMO that's actually I could possibly understand, and I still couldn't figure it out. Like, I might just be stupid. It's very possible.
That could be an option, but like, I honestly don't blame you. I think they focused on a couple of things other than the gameplay aspect for that game.
Okay, bro. I don't know how to do math. I'm trying to figure out how to convert the index.
Oh, that's sorry. Flashing lights warning. My fault.
I'm trying to convert like the index of the hearts to which heart value it should be.
Okay.
Basically, I'm figuring out the easiest way to loop through the hearts and set their values. Like, based on how much health you have. And my brain isn't working.
Many such cases. What is the easing on this? What is like? Yeah, I don't know. You need to be like slightly more noticeable. Is this entire stream just gonna be me working on this like pretty mid animation? Maybe.
Yeah, it's fun.
Probably. See, it's a cool idea, but I think that it's probably not very good.
What if you made it flash just on and off?
Yeah, that's what I was. Oh, like
on and off.
I see.
Yeah, like the other on and off. You know what I'm saying?
I see. Yeah, in a second, I'll take a look at that. Let's see. I'm curious what this looks like here. That's actually not that bad in game.
That's not
hello.
bad.
I didn't. Oh, it's because it's set to loop. Sorry, you shouldn't be a looping animation. You shouldn't be a ping pong either. That would look even worse.
Do people use ping pong animations?
Yeah. Oh, wait. Duh. You should be yellow. You should be like a pretty pale yellow, I think. Or like an orange or something. That signifies danger, especially with the glow. Honestly, I think an orange would go fucking hard on that.
This is like... This animation is giving Gungeon vibes, very much so.
That's good, I guess. Yeah, no, I kind of like that.
Yeah, it could use maybe a little work. Maybe I'll mess with the colors a little bit. Something... I feel like the bullets should come out fast and then slow down quickly.
Yeah.
Because they feel like they have no, like, impact to them, but I don't want them to go faster. So I think they should, like, come out really fast and then instantly slow down a little bit.
Yeah.
Also, he should, like, launch backwards as he shoots his,
I also agree with that completely.
his things.
I was thinking about that earlier. I hate how much time I'm spending on this enemy.
No, it's a good thing, because then we have, like, one very
hold
well-designed enemy that is polished to kind of give us a baseline for other enemies.
Yeah, those particles look strange to me. I don't know why. Maybe it's the inconsistent size of pixels because of the effect. Yeah, I mean, it could also just be that, like, I've been working on this for 2 hours, and...
Yeah, I'll go back in and look at it. I think the colors could be changed a little bit. Also, maybe make them match the palette. Since right now they're kind of just random colors, and I have done some things with random colors, and it can look really bad if it's not actually in the palette.
Yeah, I think one thing that would be really nice would be to have our palette in here.
Yes, yes, that would be good.
Like under... I don't know about palettes. I don't know if we should have a palettes folder, or if there should be something else in the data, or if it should just be like a resource in here. I'm probably just going to toss it.
Or we just dump it somewhere in there and call it a day.
Is it? There's palette. There's also, is there swatch? No, it's just palette. Yeah, we can just dump it in here.
Wait, there's a color palette resource? Huh?
Oh, okay. So, yes. So I was telling you about this before.
Yeah, I knew there was
So
like
say
the
I go in
swatches.
here.
I didn't know there was like an actual color palette.
Yeah. So you can change your swatches.
Oh, so you can change the
but-
palette there. Oh.
Yeah, so if you're like, ah, fuck, dude, I don't want this default palette, you can hit load, quick load,
Whoa.
Dante palette. Oh, and then now it's
That's so
in-
cool. I didn't know you could do that.
Where the fuck is... Yeah, now it's loaded here. Yeah, so I was thinking we could have this with the Apollo palette. So let me save this. Let me see what this looks like. I'm getting so sidetracked on like everything. So
It's okay.
this looks like this. I wonder if I can convert... Can I export the Apollo palette as a text file?
As a text file?
What is I wonder what the GPL palette looks like as like a file. You know what I mean or no?
I have no clue.
Oh my god. RGB. Oh my god, wait,
You, if this doesn't work, you could also just try exporting it from, you have to just export it from, low spec.
No, it doesn't do it for each one. Fuck. There's not like there's no other RGB. RGB. So I could just do that, although that's not divided by, hold on. Let me think about this for a second. X2, there's no other. Yeah, sorry, what were you gonna say that I could do this?
I said you could also see how you can download it from low spec. You can download it in like multiple formats.
Yeah, I think I'll just do this.
Okay.
So,
I don't know what you're trying to do, so.
X2 RGB, and then I could do shortcuts JSON. Okay, we're gonna do this. Key, Control Alt, P. Is that a thing? No. Dope. Command RGB. RGB. Dope.
Wait, I have an idea. No.
Where's my multi-command to find that? Do I have a... Are you just watching what I'm doing?
No, I'm trying to think.
Okay.
I'm trying to think. Math. I forget, what does the percent symbol do again? I feel like I could use that here.
Modulate.
Yeah, what does that do? I forget.
So imagine you're doing division, and
Yes.
whatever the remainder is.
Oh,
After you're done
okay.
dividing.
Okay. So that means if I want to see if it's a half a heart, I could divide the health by 2. If the last heart is going to be a half a heart, if I divide the health by 2, or if I mod 2 the health, if that's 1, then it's a half a heart. If it's 0, then it's a full heart. Yeah. Okay, I'm smart.
Okay. Does this do what I want it to by chance? Can I just like... Sorry, we're going insane with this one right now. Give me a sec, guys. I'm on a tangent right now. Okay, it does. Can I do it like a float now? Okay. And these are defined in Godot as what again? 1110. Wait, okay, now I've got a question. How are these defined in Godot? Fuck, these are in order. Yeah, that's fine. Comma 1. Does Godot like that? Does Godot... Oh, shit, it worked. Okay. It's in.
Oh, it's in.
It's in. We now have
That's
Apollo
crazy.
in Dante's 9. Check this out. Look at
Whoa, that's sick.
that. Oh.
Wait, if I divide, I'm trying to think. The health is health in. I'm just thinking out loud. I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Health. Its health is a float for some reason. Okay, so we want to.
Yeah, you should
round that.
colon 3 or not colon 3. Sorry, colon equals.
Colon
your-
3.
On,
Colon
shut up.
3.
On line 8, you should colon equals it. My fault.
You should.
My fault. My fault.
No.
My
Okay.
fault. My fault.
Health.
It's
How do I round? Is it just a round?
What are you trying to?
I want to
round
round it. Because I don't want it to be 0.5.
Do you want it to be? Do you want it to round? Do you want it to floor? Do you want it to ceiling?
I want it to ceiling. Do I just do ceiling?
Then you want to use. It's the function. So before your parentheses, just do seal.
Oh. Nice.
Yeah. So in Godot, have I told you the difference between the types of capitalization in Godot?
Yes.
Okay. Here's some interesting information for
I
people who
think-
don't know. So, if you look at this code right here, you'll notice that some of these, GD script is capitalized, audio streams capitalized, string is capitalized, floats aren't.
Yes,
You'll
yes,
also
yes,
notice
yes, yes, yes.
that ints aren't.
Mm-hmm.
The reason for that, do you know what's the reason for that, JW?
I don't know the reason, but I have
You know
noticed
the
it.
reason. The reason for this is
Isn't it-
because these are primitives, which means they are just data,
Yes.
whereas
Yes.
these
Yes.
are objects, which means they can also contain functions.
Yes. It's the same like Python, right?
No, I don't think so.
No.
Maybe. I have no idea.
Or
Um,
there's some other language that I've used that it's the same. Java. Is
No
it the
clue.
same in Java?
why did
Am I going insane?
Who is? Sorry, someone's in my chat, but it's not showing me their chat.
They
In
said
my
hi.
I saw that they said hi. Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah. Yeah, C#'s like it, Java's like it.
C#.
Python
Okay, it was
might
probably
be,
Java.
but you don't
it was
usually
probably
type
Java.
directly in Python. Yeah, Java is the same way. I didn't know that either. I thought it was really cool.
Yeah, that makes sense.
When
That
I
makes
was learning at my job, because I didn't know that either. It just never clicked with me.
Mm-hmm.
My manager that was training me, he was like, "Yeah, do you know why this is?" And I was like, not really. I was like, I didn't really notice it until now. And he's like, it's because these are primitives, these are objects. So, just letting you know why you couldn't do like .seal off of that is because that was a float.
Yeah,
You
that makes
pass floats
sense.
into functions.
So I left.
Yeah. So what was I doing? I was in this for a reason. Probably to make these the same color as part of the palette, mayhaps. Swatches. Probably this red. Up, 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 up.
You know, if I'm going to use this in 2 places, I can turn this into a variable. Look at me go.
This is true. Look at you go.
Although I guess technically if
guy.
I'm only using it in 2 places, then adding another line to define the variable would make it the same length. Actually, it would be even longer. Line-wise.
Okay. But
I know, but it's cleaner. I know.
Better because you're not doing 2 divides and 2 ceilings.
Yeah, but then it's longer.
Sorry, is it commonplace to use custom nodes to inherit node if you want to do your own collisions, etc. So if you wanted to do your own collisions, you would just use a character body. No, I think. I might need a little bit more information about why you would need to inherit, because you just say inherit node. Usually you would inherit something that interacts with the physics system, like character body 2D, rigid body 2D, or static body 2D. Or if you wanted a custom collision shape, you could do that. Also, this is my custom playlist that I... You know what? I'll do that during the watch party. Oh no, we're doing Minecraft during the watch party. How long is the watch party gonna be? I'm gonna set up a reminder, actually. Hold on. Do I set reminders on my phone? They changed the voice thing. Open. Let's see. Set a reminder for 11 p.m. to fill out my YouTube playlist. Oh, I don't have internet in here because I'm in my apartment. Oops.
Nice. I realized that actually one of these I want to check to see if it's equal. Yeah. We want to see if that's equal to hard count. No. Equal.
Okay. There we go. I just told my fucking Amazon thing to remind me. I will fill out my playlist. Kobe suck. I will fill out my YouTube playlist so that I can share it with people. Because I have been meaning to do that and I've been putting it off. Because I am very bad at focusing, as you can tell. Holy shit, I actually got so unbelievably close to the... Look at this, JW. So here's the color.
Yeah.
Here's the current color. Here's the palette color.
That's crazy.
I actually got so fucking close to that. That's actually insane. Do you guys know I love Night in the Woods?
So that's...
Okay, yeah. Okay, let me do that. Let me add... Are there other things that use this projectile, or is it just...
that projectile... The projectile or the projectile shooter? The projectile.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, the projectile.
Wait, why is the projectile... Was that a script, or is that that's a scene, right?
Yeah, so you did this thing It's kind of cool in a little bit of a way, but it's like also a little weird. So instead of having the scene, you have a reference to the GD script class. And in here, you are doing something with it, apparently.
Oh.
Oh, no, you're not. You're not doing anything with this. You're not doing shit with it. I don't know what that's there for. It's gone now, though. But you're using this scene instantiator thing.
Oh, okay.
Which I don't think you need to do.
Yeah. Maybe I'll let you rewrite that.
It's fine. I mean, it works. I don't really need it to.
Yeah, but I would like it to be as good as it can.
Let's see. What am I looking for? What am I doing? I need to make this move a little bit slower. Or a little bit different. So export before velocity curve. Velocity curve. So you said you wanted this to pop out fast and then slow down.
For what? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Do you know?
Yeah.
No, whatever. Like.
Wait. How do I use mod?
You can't use a float.
Oh.
So if you're using a float, you need to use a function. It's called fmod.
Mod?
Yeah. Fmod pass in the first float, pass in the second float. They're two floats.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because modulus just doesn't work as an operation for floats.
Okay, just for testing,
you have to have this.
I'm going to update this every frame.
You could also, if you wanted to, actually, you know what you should do, because you're running into a lot of issues. You could just set to, you could set the health to an int. Just do what you're doing now, but like on line 8, you could have done health is an int. On line 8. Line 8.
Here.
So you could have done that as int rather than as float, because then it would have truncated it.
Here.
Which would run into some issues, like the ceiling one wouldn't work, but yeah, don't
so
worry
I
about
wouldn't
it. Just
need
keep
this?
What you have now.
Okay.
Just keep what you have now.
Because the float will automatically round up, right?
Sorry, what?
The float will automatically, or int will automatically round.
No, it rounds down.
Oh, it rounds down?
So it doesn't round at all. Yeah, it always floors.
I didn't know that.
Okay, integer division results in truncation always.
Okay.
Or specifically towards 0, I believe. I believe integer truncation goes towards 0. Is that correct, actually?
Is there a way that I could make these not show up here? Because I have the export. So I have the exports for the things within the scene itself. That like I don't need to change those if I instance it. Like it's not a big deal if they are here. I was just wondering if there's a way to get rid of them.
Not directly, other than putting them in a group so that they're hidden behind like a thing. It's like go to your script. Your script? Go to your script.
Yes, script.
Yep. Okay, line
you can
3,
do an export group, yeah.
Export group, yeah. And then I usually, for things like that, export group.
I cannot type.
Export group.
Export group.
Yeah. Yep, name, and then I usually just do like components. That way,
okay.
Capitalize it, please. Capitalize it, please.
Oh, should I capitalize that? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
You're right.
So that way you have to expand it.
I didn't know you had to expand it if it's group. Okay, that's good to know.
Yeah. I actually wonder if export group allows you to do like hidden exports now that you've mentioned that. For instantiated ones, but I don't believe so. Yeah, empty, I'm pretty sure undoes it. You can also force an into group by using this annotation with empty strings, yeah. What am I doing, dude? I'm just like sitting here doing absolutely nothing.
That's okay.
So P velocity gets passed into this. We're setting velocity to what? Oh, I see.
Okay. Oh, I still also need to add that it dynamically adds or removes. Oh, nice. Oh, I didn't set the. Of course, I didn't set the export. After talking about setting the export, I didn't set the export.
course. Why would you? Doesn't make a lot of
Yeah,
sense.
that's a good question.
So do we want to change these to have a lifetime, or what do you want these to do? Do you want these to just like after a certain amount of time?
Oh, I need to get children. Wait,
Yeah,
what
that
were you
was
saying?
the thing I was talking about earlier. Whenever I was like, I'll just let you figure it out. That was the thing. Yeah. So
Sorry.
do you want the behavior of the bullet that shoots out? Do you want it to start fast and then slow down to an amount and stay at that amount for the rest of the time, or do you want it to slow down and then stop?
I wanted to slow
you
down
want
and
it to-
stay at an amount. Because I want it to be
Okay, gotcha.
predictable at how fast it's going to be. I just want it to have a bit of impact when it shoots out.
Okay, I see.
Okay,
So
well,
for
the health
this
bar is
one,
currently empty. Did I do this backwards? Do I need to change all these values? Should this be 0 and this
hello,
be
Eternal
2?
Lord over in Twitch chat. How's it going? How you
Hello,
doing?
Eternal Lord over in Twitch chat. How's it going?
All right. Okay, bud. All right. He's trying to steal my thunder.
What? I'm
What plugins do we
practicing.
use? So we only use pretty much one plugin. Technically two. I only use one plugin though, which is resource tables. It allows you to edit resources as if they were like kind of an Excel spreadsheet format where you can highlight a bunch of these and you can do certain things with them. It's really handy. There's also, what other plugins do we use? I don't think there's like, yeah, I only have two enabled. Those being the resource tables.
Okay,
and
that
this
doesn't
one
work
shows
at
you a
all.
style guide, but it doesn't need to be there. What's up?
That didn't work at all.
Oh, okay.
So what could be going wrong here?
Very much a lot. I'm doing good. We're doing good. We're working on the game. Working on this. We've got an on-ready preload as per the always. We have variable declarations and on-ready declarations. I'm actually curious, what does the Godot style guide say about on-ready order? Okay, it is the way that I was hoping it would be. Which is on-ready goes below
Oh,
any other variable
okay.
declarations.
Nice.
Sorry.
Nice.
Yeah. So you want your on-readies above ready, basically. What is this emoji?
Oh, I'm
It's a
stupid.
very cute one. I wish you could get emotes without doing Twitch affiliate. Is affiliate the first one? There's like affiliate and partner. I think affiliate is the one where it's like you're monetized now. I would absolutely love that, but I don't want to enable ads on my Twitch channel because that sounds like a terrible time. And then we will say our current lifetime 0, and then we will add current lifetime plus equals delta of our sample is, what was it, velocity curve dot sample offset is current lifetime divided by what is it, it's called boost time, I think. Yeah, boost time. Let's see, our ratio, give me a second. It's a min. Yeah, min of this and 1. And then we'll pass that in.
Well, it's doing something. It's not right, but it's doing something.
Sorry, I'm in I, I'm in F. So this should give me a sample, and then I can say velocity is equal to initial velocity dot or times sample. Yes. Okay. So hello, Arlindo. How's it going? It is kind of a shooter game. It's like, ooh, that was very not good. It's like Enter the Gungeon, but side view, and with cards instead of guns.
Yeah, pretty
That's
much.
what I'm always gonna say.
Close
Pretty
enough.
much, yeah.
Can you make them?
Okay, so domain is the time, value is the total. So if I set this to like 5 and 1. Sorry, what were you gonna say, JW?
I was about to say to do exactly what you're doing right now.
Yeah. Make it start like
Yeah.
that.
Make it start higher and then make it go down. So
Oh,
that way
whoa,
it's the
that
same
was fucking
speed.
terrifying. Not like that.
I mean,
Maybe,
yes, like that, but just less so.
Yeah,
Like that
maybe,
looks
2 times
sick, but
that.
gameplay wise, that'd be terrifying.
Yeah, gameplay wise, that is just terrifying. Okay, well, I need you to move out of the fucking cubby that you've put yourself in. All right, bud. He reminds me of a jellyfish. I feel like his kind of movement would also work for the jellyfish pets that you were talking about. Remember what I'm talking? You remember that one?
Yeah.
I'm assuming. Yeah. How quickly do we want them to? Ooh.
I feel like the burst should be a little bit
Longer.
Yeah.
Well, I need you to actually aim at me, buddy. I guess that's an issue with him, is that he tries to stay close to the ground. Oh, this isn't updating in real time, because it's still set to 0.5.
Oh yeah.
Because for some reason Godot isn't 100%
Let me
remembering.
put you on my screen while I'm trying to help.
Oh, that's terrifying. Oh, that's terrifying.
I mean, we could make the enemies terrifying.
Wow. That automatically makes
Maybe
him much
make
scarier to
them
live.
like that fast, but slow down a little bit faster. So the max domain will be smaller, or just change it there. Like that actually feels really nice, I think. Maybe even a little bit slower.
What if it did something weird like this where there's like 2 steps?
I have a feeling this is gonna look really awful. You also can't tell.
Oh. Yeah, you can. Yeah. Yeah, it does look good.
Yeah, honestly, I like it. I think it makes them more of a threat too.
Oh yeah, it does. It totally fucking does.
Like I kind of want the
That's-
enemies to be like scary. Also, the scarier the enemies, the more like ridiculously powerful attacks you can give the player.
Yeah, I also kind of want the enemy to try not to... I might have the enemy, instead of trying to move directly to the player's location, I might try to make them be at the same, like, up here level, so that they're a little higher.
Yeah.
Because doing that, like, their bullets kind of land on the ground, when I feel like they would want to be kind of in the air. But I think this is fine for now. I'll probably actually just, like, go into the...
Yeah. And I was about to say, I don't think for this enemy, but I think some variant of this enemy should try to only get within line of sight of the player, and then like stay as far away as possible. Maybe one that has like a beam or something like that that like charges up.
Yeah. Have I ever joined the game jam? Yes. Both of us have.
Yes. This game was originally a game jam game over a year ago.
Yeah. Yeah, he originally made this as a game jam game. And then I'm joining the team. And I joined the team. I'm part of the team now.
He is the team.
I am the team. This is correct. So it should move. Yeah, so it's like targeting right here. So it's trying to get above the player now rather than directly on the player, which is actually very good.
Yeah, this guy actually feels so sick now. I think he just needs like the flashes when he shoots and he'll look really cool. And the knockback when...
Yeah, and the knockback. I'll add that now, actually.
Also, we should totally add knockback when you hit him.
Oh, like he should knock back?
Yeah.
Excuse me. Hold on. That's all I'll put on screen. I won't say anything else. I will not say anything else.
Go to bed.
I will not say anything else.
I will.
I will just put this on screen.
I will. Go to bed.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm being dog.
What do you have to say for yourself, huh? Miss Cheese. What's up with that? I don't actually know how I want to do them.
Oh, it's 9 o'clock, by the way.
Is it? Okay.
I'm sure they're gonna kill us.
Let me add the
do you want to also look at this real quick and help me figure out what's wrong? I mean, I didn't look at it very closely to figure out what's wrong, but
in a second.
if you can't figure it out, it's okay.
Oh,
I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it.
Yeah, just like figure it out, man.
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm trying. So
going
this
off.
is 18. So if this is less than 9. So the first one is going to be less than 9, which means it's going to do this, which sets that value to 0. Let me look. What the?
Ew, what an ugly ass fucking curve this is. I just realized. Yuck. What if? Dash time is 1 second. What if I just like... What is that? Weird.
Oh, this
Oh, I know what I can do.
It should be 1.
Or
Yeah.
knockback speed, knockback velocity. Or, yeah, knockback velocity is a vector 2. Holy fucking shit!
Holy peak! It's beautiful.
Holy shit!
This
Absolute
is literally the most beautiful
cinema.
thing I've seen in my entire life.
How do I react +2 to a Twitch message?
You like that?
Oh shit! You're so right. I forgot that this is where you came from. You could just type +2. My fault. My fault, y'all. My bad, y'all. Going to bed.
Okay. So that does that. So that's fine. This is fine. I'm pretty sure that's fine.
Bitty.
But if that's less, if it's equal, which means that it's the last heart,
The fuck was that
then
sound? Weird.
this, which mods health. Why does this not work?
Step through it.
That's what I literally just did.
No, step through it with the debugger.
Oh. I don't know how to do that.
You put a breakpoint on the thing whenever you want it to update. Oh, it's running every frame, so good luck.
Yeah, well, that was just for testing, so that way it would update. So I guess I should have it. Which one of these should I stop at? I guess I could just stop like at the end. I don't think that's gonna help.
Yeah, nighttime is really nice. I wish that I could stream later, but
Yeah.
or I could stream later, but I'm not going to tonight because we have plans. The group.
Thursday we will
plans.
stream all night long.
The same amount,
Oh.
probably. We'll see. Move this towards a vector 2 to 0.
Yeah, I feel like surprisingly energetic today for like the one day that we aren't streaming that long. I just don't know how to program. That's my main issue.
Let's say it removes 100 velocity a second. I guess whatever, dude.
Oh, wait a second. Oh, I think I
Being
might.
ascend.
Is it because this is 0 indexed and health is 1 index?
What are you saying?
What if we make this -1? I'm thinking out loud.
Okay.
I'm being a good streamer and talking with my voice. So that still looks right. Let's spawn an enemy. We do need better names for the enemies because like I can't read them in the menu whatsoever. Okay, it doesn't work.
Yeah.
Oh, it like almost works. Oh, nope, it does not work. Boo.
Is it the order in which your if checks are being done?
Maybe.
I have no idea. So it's kind of up to you.
Is this backwards? Should this be 2 and this should be 1? Let me try that. I love just changing random values without like thinking about what they do and just hoping it works. Because then when it does, it like reinforces the fact that changing random values sometimes works. So then you do it more. Not quite. Oh?
Hmm?
Oh?
Was that it?
It's working. It's just off by 1.
Hmm. Is it because you subtracted 1 from the thing?
It could be.
It'd be really funny if it was. Method track.
Which means that there was literally just 1 change that I missed. That I don't know why.
Shit, I can't do that.
But I don't think this will work. Yes, this won't work.
Okay.
This doesn't work at all. It almost
Oh.
works.
Is it because it dealt damage to the shield first? Do you actually have shield there?
No, those are just for show.
Those are just for funsies, because it feels like it hit you 2 times and then the third one started ticking down.
It did.
I will just add.
Let me just say, when is this gonna kill me?
Just add a reference to the
So this should kill me here.
Aw.
No?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Well, that's a problem. Who is that? Who's complaining about that? Is that me? That's my code.
Yeah, this is ground movement driver.
Yeah, yep, I fucked something up. Oopsie.
Yeah, it's okay.
What player.player is? So player.player, because we only have 1 player. This is not how I would have done it, but that's fine. I wouldn't have called it player. I would have called this like instance. But it's just a static variable that holds the current player instance. So whenever it spawns in, it assigns itself, so you can reference it from anywhere.
This is gonna do. Wait.
Oh, no.
I'm stupid. Is division or subtraction first?
Division,
Division
happens
first. Okay.
PEMDAS.
Yes. I knew that. Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this for now because I need this to work, and I'm gonna feel really bad if it doesn't. So we're just gonna do.
Oh, I'm not even on my screen. You guys can't see my beautiful code.
This guy doesn't know PEMDAS. Yeah, true.
I do. I swear. I'm not stupid. I'm just an artist. Okay, so it's still off by 1. Why is it off by 1? Let me check to make sure we're actually setting the health value to the number that I think we're setting it to. So health component, we're setting health to 18. I should also see... Actually, let me see. What if we add more hearts? Oh, it was because I didn't have enough hearts. I'm stupid. I'm stupid.
Oh.
There was accidentally 8 hearts instead of 9.
Is that adding knockback? I can't.
Hold up, wait. It might have like actually have told me that happened in the debugger and I didn't even notice.
It would be really funny if it
I'm
did.
pretty sure it did. I restarted the game though, so I can't tell.
You should also make the health bar so that it creates the amount of hearts that you need.
Yes. I was gonna do that. I just didn't yet. So I think I still need the -2 actually.
There's a.
But let me see if I delete.
How do I see this? I don't see this
you-
message. I see that there's messages up here in this thing, but I don't see them in my YouTube chat. Like in my.
They might be delayed. Sometimes they show up in like the other thing first.
No, my OBS is showing them first. Okay, Luke has to stop fighting. Jimmy Aquaman, you too. Oh shit, dude. I don't know who you are, but like you just came in swinging and like I kind of fuck with it.
Yeah, it's kind of a
Like, pop
banger.
off. Keep doing it. So let's just.
We need to like categorize
okay,
with the
this guy-
chat. Like, what if we had like different types?
Oh, like A and B.
Yeah. That'd
Oh,
kind
look
of-
at that guy go!
that'd be
Look at
kinda
him go!
crazy. 1, 2,
Watch him
3,
go, dude,
4,
you're gonna love
5,
this.
6. Oh, that looks sick.
Oh, he's going way too fast. He's still going. Yeah. Okay. Maybe a little.
Okay, they didn't actually give me an error. It was was unable to place room boss. I can speak.
Oh yeah.
I'm not struggling.
I actually don't know why that's happening. Although we're using the same seed, so that's probably why, right? No. Oh! What a level generation I've found. Take a look at this one.
Whoa.
A great staircase.
Okay, now there's not. Do I need to do? Oh, I think these are actually swapped. This needs to be 1, and this needs to be 2. Maybe. Please work. But this is already a lot more concise than my other script.
Yeah.
I think the velocity needs to be higher. It needs to have more damping, though.
It needs to damp faster, you mean?
Yes. So it needs to knock back quickly and then damp quickly.
Alright, I can do that. Probably. Do you think it should damp percent-wise, or do you think it should damp do you think it should try to lerp? Or do you think it should be a constant amount?
Should it try to lerp or should it be a constant amount?
So if it has a lot of, let's say it has like 1,000 knockback, should it get from 1,000 to 900 in the same speed it would take it to go from 100 to 0? Or should it, if it was at 1,000, should it be like, should more knockback be taken off every single time?
Ooh, I don't.
That's fine.
I don't know.
We'll find out.
I can't visualize that right now. I'm thinking about hearts.
That's okay. I'll just do this.
This looks promising. This looks promising.
Times delta.
Let's go.
So
We did it. I'm goated.
this takes a second. Ah, shit. Dot ink. Dot max. F. Now. Dot max. Axis. There's max axis index, which is great, except you don't have max axis.
Here we go.
Sorry.
By the way, Lukaiza and anybody else, we will be there shortly. I got my health bar working, so I'm happy. I don't know what Biddy's doing.
What is
Being a
the
little
word
gremlin.
here? By delta amount. Is this
Okay.
Does this move both of these by a certain amount?
My health bar works. I'm happy. So I think I am set for today.
Give me a second. I'm sorry.
I'm going to just sit here and watch you work.
Oh no. This is like the worst.
Yeah, it's so bad. Just kidding. I'm scrolling Instagram.
No, he's doing this again, dude. He does this shit all the time.
So you get programmer.
This motherfucker. No, dude, he sent me to the fucking coding caves. So this will move that there. I will say damp stays. Look at Boas.
It's time.
Holy get fucking clogged.
I love reels. I love
There we go.
reels.
So this will what this will do is this will take the knockback velocity and multiply by delta, so it should aim to be about a second.
Mm-hmm.
It will take that amount off this. If it's ever below 1,
Mm-hmm.
it will always be at least 1. I think this one might actually be kind of bad.
Mm-hmm.
Hold on. Maybe like 5
Mm-hmm.
something. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Mhm, yeah.
maybe. I don't
Mhm.
know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What if this just
Yep.
runs?
Yep. Yeah.
Hello, buddy. Okay, well, he dampened like way faster than I expected him to. So, was that because of the 5? Or is that because I'm shit at programming? It is because of the 5, yes. So it could be like 2, and then I could make him knock back a little bit further. So like, maybe the 200 is what we need in this house. Well, maybe not. Oh, dude, it's funny. He just knockback canceled. That's kind of sick, nasty. I didn't know he had that kind of tech, but I guess he does. He's like kind of sick, I won't lie.
He's kind of sick.
I kind of fuck with this dude. Look at
Yeah.
him. Ouch.
I don't know.
So why
Something's
is
still
he
weird
not-
with the damping. Because right now it just looks like he's like linearly moving backwards. It should be like individual bumps in velocity.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where are we at 1.5? I just don't know why he's like staying squished the entire time. I feel like he should be. Oh, I guess I could. Well.
Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Dead, I think.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's okay. What if I just did the simple solution? I know this isn't gonna work for like time slow. What if I just like got rid of 25% of velocity every frame? Oh. Ouch. Well now he's not doing anything actually.
L.
Yeah, now he's not moving at all. Because
Yeah.
That's probably a little bit too much. Buddy. What the fuck are you doing?
What the tuna? What the Fortnite?
Fuck it, 2000. What do you do? What do you do whenever you give it 2000 knockback? Nothing?
Yeah,
Nothing.
that looks
Oh,
like
I'm
2000
stupid. I'm stupid. I'm
knockback
stupid.
to
I'm
me.
stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I'm stupid.
Mm-hmm.
0.9. Not 0.1.
Sorry.
There we go. There we go. There we go.
There we go.
Let's see. There we go. Are you
There
ready,
we
kids?
go. There we go. That looks a bit better, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Honestly, I think the particles could also be less visible.
Yeah.
Part.
Yeah.
Because I've noticed that they're taking up a lot of screen real estate. Same thing with the ring. I think they're both allowed to be very.
They can be smaller
visible.
and not as visible.
Can I make this like? Oh shit! You can affect this.
Mm-hmm.
That's crazy mode. Yeah, I think I like that more.
Mm-hmm. It could maybe even be a little bit smaller, but I think it's okay.
Yeah.
We can always tweak it later.
Right. Yeah, that's true. He's like, I just want to watch Xavier Renegade Angel.
No, that's not. I want to.
Yeah.
I want you to be happy
like
with
that.
something
Okay,
that you
I like
finished.
that.
Yeah.
I like where it's at now.
Yeah, he's really sick.
I need to make it check line of sight, and I also need to make it. I need the distance to be larger because I'm not happy with the distance right now, but that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay. There's stream. We're good. Okay. Let me look for. Did you look for someone to raid instead of sitting on?
Brother,
Instagram?
I literally told you I was watching reels.
What if we rated
Joking.
Mango playing Rivals of Either 2?
What if we like?
Oh shit, JD's
didn't?
streaming dev. Guess what?
Who?
Guess what?
Who?
I'm rating JD again.
Who?
JD.
Who?
JD does dev.
Okay.
I don't think you met him at Godokon, did you?
No.
Yeah.
JD does dev. It's just JD does dev.
Yep. Alright, I'm rating
Okay,
JD does dev.
I'm
Okay,
rating
so we're
JD
gonna go head
does
out. We're
dev.
gonna stream at the same time on Thursday.
Mhm.
I have a stream scheduled. I will make that publicly scheduled after the stream ends. So you'll be able to see the schedule. It's also on my Twitch page. I will catch you guys later. Thank you all for stopping by and hanging out. Hello, Kiki. Welcome in. I'm ending the stream. Are you still awake? Anyways, thank you all for stopping by. You guys have a good one. Good night.
Good night, everybody.
Right, and YouTube stream is
And YouTube stream